Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have built many of the things using different languages, and I hope you understand that all projects here. So today in this video, we will be just building an amazing clone, and today I will be telling you how to build an amazing clone. And this will be a different clone, like it will be not any social media application clone or any social media platform clone. It will be a different clone. Today I will be telling you that how you can just create an amazing Apple Vision clone. And this Apple Vision clone we will be building through Next.js. We will be using Tailwind CSS and Stripe. So you all know that like Stripe is a method which we use when we want to do the payment integration or when we have to use it on the backend. So you'll be using Stripe on the backend, and then we will be covering up on the front end using Next.js and Tailwind CSS to give it a styling. So this video will be really helpful for you all. We will be also using JavaScript, which is the you can say programming language, and Next.js is the library of that. So we will be using JavaScript as well on the front end, back end both, and we will be using Next.js on the front end with Tailwind CSS. On the back, we will be using Stripe, and we will be also deploying it on server, and I will be telling you how we will be doing that. So I hope you will be understanding this amazing clone video which we will be just building in this video from the start. So if you understand this video and if you enjoy this project here of Apple Vision clones, remember to hit a like. And if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, the notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can just cover up these amazing projects using different languages. So just now we'll be starting with our amazing video and seeing that how we can just build this amazing Apple Vision clone from the start using these all amazing languages plus technologies. So in today's video, I'm telling you that we will be just building an amazing clone, and today I will be telling you that how you can just create an amazing Apple Vision clone using these amazing languages. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we can just cover up this amazing Apple Vision clone using Next.js. We will be using Stripe, and we will be using Tailwind CSS as well to create this. So first of all, we will be creating this amazing Apple Vision clone. Then after creating this clone, we will be moving on to deploy this clone onto the server. So just first of all, we have to create this clone. So for creating, I will be just moving on to the file, and I will be first of all opening my folder which I have already created on my downloads. So you can see this is my folder Apple Vision clone. I will be just directly opening this folder. After opening this folder, you can see these are the images which we will be using in our project here. So now I will be moving on to my main file and removing all the stuff from here because I will be not needing these all things. So simply these are the libraries, so I will be not removing these libraries simply from here. So I will be just only removing these all things, and I will be saving this file. After saving, you have to move on to the styling file as well and remove things from here also. Then move on to the JS file, and after moving to the JS file, I will be removing things from here as well. Save this file here, press Ctrl V to close side panel, and I will be opening this file in my default browser as it is called Google Chrome. So I will be now moving on to my downloads. This is my folder and this is my file if I show you. So this is my main file. Now I've opened this, so I will be now just doing it side by side so I can get all the code because this is a responsive clone, and I will be telling you how you can create it to start. So just I will be opening my file. Then I will be making my VS Code bigger than my interface side, which is Google Chrome. So now when you've just done that, you have to create the codes here in this body tag to just create this amazing Apple Vision clone. So now for start, we will be creating this. So for creating, you have to just first of all give an ID. So here first of all we have to create a div and then give an ID as main here. After creating this, you have to now just give an ID again, which is called page. Then you have to now write here video. In source, I will be just writing https://www.apple.com. Then you have to write here /105/media. Like this, you can write and as Apple. So I will be now writing this, and then you have to create Apple Vision Pro, and then you have to now just write here 2023 / and then when you've just written this, you have to write 7E268C13-EB22. Then you have to write -493D-. Then I will be now just writing A860. So I will be now writing this. Then you have to write -F0637BACB569. Then you have to now write /n/0. Then I will be now writing /large, and then I will be writing _2x.mp4. Then you have to now just write here music. After writing this tag, you have to now simply move down after the close video tag. Then create nav. Write here Xtreme, which I will be writing Vision Pro. Then you have to move down. Then you have to now write here notify. So I will be now just writing here notify me. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to create div ID as page bottom. So I will be now creating this. Then you have to now write here Xtreme, which I will be writing introduction. So here I have just written introduction. Then create image. Again I will be writing the link which we have written at the top, apple.com/v/apple. Then I will be now writing Vision Pro like this, and then I will be now writing a/images/ Then I will be now writing here overview slash hero slash fill. Then I will be now writing underscore vision underscore pro. Then I will be writing underscore logo underscore US, and I will be writing 9 for YIS. So here I will be now writing this. Then write 23R6Y. Then write underscore large.png. Then here you have to now do one thing. You have to move down. After this, create div ID as page 1. So I will be now writing this create h1, and I will be now just writing this as welcome to the era. So I will be now writing this off spatial. So I will be now writing it computing like this. Save it here. After saving this file, I will be now creating a video tag in which I will be writing https://www.apple.com. Then I will be writing /105/media. Then I will be now writing here slash, and then I will be now writing us Apple Vegan. Then I will be now writing here Pro 2023/7E268C13. Then I will be writing dash EV22. Then like this I will be now writing. So you can see we have just written here EV22493D. So A860. Then I've just written F063BACV569. Then write here slash NF slash, and I will be now writing here foundation. Right here spatial. Then I will be now writing here computing. Then slash small.mp4. Now when you've just written this, you have to write autoplay. So I will be now writing here autoplay muted. Then, or you can say just you can write here autoplay loop muted like this. So now your video has been just created on your backend, means on the front end of the page. So now when you've just created this, you have to create div ID as page 2 here. After creating this, you have to now write here Apple. So I will be now writing here Apple Vision Pro. So I will be now writing this and create seamlessly. Then here you have to now write blends like this and create VR tag, in which I will be writing digital, and write content with your, and write here physical space. Then when you've just written this, you have to move down and write here video. In source I will be writing HTTPS, and then you have to now just create //www.apple.com. Then I will be now writing here /105/media, and I will be now writing here us Apple dash, and I will be now writing here Vision Pro. Then I will be now creating 2023 like this, and then you have to now write here /7E268C13 dash, same as like this. Then you have to create /NF/foundation, and I will be now just writing here foundation dash digital, and write here canvas. Then you have to now write here /medium.mp4. So I will be writing this. Then you have to write here autoplay loop, and I will be now writing here muted. Then you have to now create div ID as page 3. Then you have to move down and write here h1, create u navigate. So I will be now just writing like this and create u, and here I will be now writing u navigate like this, and I will be now writing here simply by using your PRIs comma, and write here hands and voice. So when you've just written this, you have to now move down and write here video. Then create source https / and I will be now writing www.apple.com/105/media. Then I will be now writing here us Apple. So I will be writing this and write here Vision Pro. Then I will be now writing here /2023/7E, and then the same thing which we have written. So I will be now writing /NN. Then I will be now writing here /foundation. Then create inputs. Then write here /medium.mp4. So I will be now writing this. After creating, again you have to now simply write here autoplay loop muted. Then when you just written this, you have to now move down and create div ID page 4. Then you have to now write here h1. So here you have to now write so you can do the things you love VR tag, and then I will be writing in ways never before. Then I will be now writing here possible. Then when you just written this, you have to move down and write here video source https / and I will be writing here www.apple.com. Then create /105/media, and then I will be now just writing here /us Apple Vision. So I will be now writing here Apple Vision Pro. Then I will be now just writing here 2023 / and I will be writing 7E268, and same as the thing. Then I will be now writing NF foundation. Then I will be writing entertainment like this, and write here /medium.mp4. Then you have to write here autoplay loop. So here I will be now writing muted. So here I will be now writing autoplay perfectly right. Now here when you just written this, you have to create div ID again with page 5. I will be now writing here. Then you have to now simply write a thing like div ID again. So I will be now simply writing here div ID. Then create page 5 and I will be writing here upper. So here you have to move down, create image https:/www.apple.com/vapple and I will be now writing here Vision Pro. So when you just written this, you have to write /a images/overview. When you just written this, you have to write intro, then write here logo, and I will be now writing _4ZG. Then I will be now writing here KUY. So when you just written this, you have to write EBGTEN. Then write here media _2x.png. Now you have to just move down, and after moving down, you have to write here div ID, and I will be writing page 5 upper, and I will be now writing here inner. Then you have to move down, create H3, write here watch the, and I will be now writing here play. Then create H3 and I will be writing here watch the, and I will be writing here event. Then you have to now just move down and write here https:/www.apple.com/vapple and I will be now writing here Vision Pro. So I will be now writing this a images and I will be now writing here overview. Then create intro. So here I will be now writing /intro/hardware and I will be now writing here base _EC12, or you can say EC like this L2V43J7302 like this. Then you have to write here underscore again, write medium _2x.jpg. Then I will be moving down and create here button tag, in which I will be now writing here +8. So I will be now writing here take a closer look at Vision Pro. So I will be now writing this. After writing, you have to now just write here div page 6. So here I will be now writing like this. Then you have to now write here div ID as center page. So here I will be now writing as center page 6. So when you just written this, you have to now just move down after this tag and create H5 apps. So I will be writing this as well. Then write here like H1 free your desktop. So I will be writing a normal text. Then you have to now create BR, press backspace here. Then you have to now just do here like and. So here I will be now writing and your apps will follow. Then you have to just do one thing, you have to create video source https:/www.apple.com/105/media. Then I will be writing us Apple Vision. Then I will be now writing here Vision Pro /2023/7E268C13-EB22. Then like this simply. Then you have to now just write here /heading/experience. So I will be now writing this. Then you have to write here apps/media and I will be now just writing here .mp4. So after writing this tag, you have to now just write here autoplay. So I will be now writing here autoplay loop muted. Then you have to now just write here div ID and I will be writing page 7. After writing page 7 here, you have to now just write here div class and I will be writing here left 7. Then create H1 and I will be writing here your apps live in BR. Then I will be writing here your space. Then you have to now just create div class and I will be writing here right 7. So I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here H3 and I will be writing here Vision. And then you have to write here Vision Pro can. So here I will be writing Vision Pro can transform any room. So here I will be writing into your own personal. Then I will be writing here theater like this. Then right here expand your movies. So here I will be now writing expand your movie shoot and I will be also writing here like and games up and I will be writing to the perfect size. So here I will be writing size while feeling. So here I will be now just writing like this and I will be now writing here while feeling like you are part of the. So here I will be writing while feeling like you are the part of the action with spatial. So here I will be now writing spatial audio. Then you have to now just write here and with your or you can say and with more pixels than 4K TV. And here I will be now just writing for each eye. Then you have to now just write here comma you can enjoy like this. I will be now writing a text stunning content whenever you are, like this, and I will be writing here weather. So I will be now just writing like this tag, and after writing this, you have to now just write here whether dates are long, live, or the watch at. After writing this, you have to write this full stop here and move down. Create a button in which I will be writing plus learn more about apps. Save it here and then you have to reload. After reloading, you can see we are getting all the things like we want here. So it is now looking good. So now after getting these all things here, we have to just do simply one thing, like I will be moving down after these two divs, create another div ID as page 8. Then I will be now writing here div ID as center. Then I will be now writing here page 8. Then right here H5 and I will be writing photos, and I will be now writing here videos. Then you have to now just move down, right here H1 and I will be now writing here B in the moment. So here I will be now writing like this. Then you have to write here BR text. So I will be now writing here full stop. Then here you have to now write here all over again. And here you have to just now create video source https://www.apple.com/105, and I will be writing media, and I will be now just writing /us apple-media pro/2023, and then you have to now just write here 7E268 like this and create /nm/experience. Then you have to now write here photos, videos, and I will be writing here /medium, and then I will be writing .mp4. Then create autoplay, do muted. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to now create a tag which should be as div ID. So I will be now just writing here div ID page 9. Then you have to now just write here div class, and I will be now writing here left 9. Create h1, and I will be now writing here your memories, and I will be now writing here br come alive. Then you have to now create div class, and I will be now writing here right 9. Then you have to write here h3 and then create region pro. So here I will be writing is apples. So here I will be writing is apple first 3D camera. Then I will be now writing you can capture. Then you have to write here magical spatial. Then I will be now writing here photos, and then you have to now create spatial videos in 3D. Then you have to now write here then delete those. So here I will be now writing here then delete those cherished, and I will be writing moments like never before. Then I will be writing with immersive. So here I will be now writing spatial. Then you have to now write here audio like this. Then you have to now write here your existing. So here I will be writing your existing library. Then you have to write of photos and videos. Then you have to now create a tag which will be like of photos and videos. Then here I will be writing looks, and here I will be writing incredible. Then you have to now create at remarkable. So here I will be writing scale. And when you just written this, I will be writing and panoramas and create wrap around and write here you making you feel like you are. Then I will be writing standing right. Here I will be writing where you put them. After writing this, you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down after the h3 which we have created here. So you can see here it is the h3 tag which we have created at the end. Then I will be now creating a button tag here, and I will be writing plus. So I will be giving a space, and I will be giving plus as learn more. So I will be now writing about photos and videos. After writing this, you have to now do one thing, you have to move down, create div ID as page, and I will be now writing here 10, create h3. Here I will be now writing design. Then I will be now moving down right here h1, create design by Apple. Then you have to now create p tag, and I will be writing here Apple Vision Pro is the result. So here I will be now writing of decades. So here I will be now writing of decades of experiencing designing. Then I will be now writing high performance. So here I will be now writing mobile. Then I will be now writing and wearable.
So here I will be now writing an variable devices. Then you have to now write here culminating. There I will be now writing in the mode mbts product apple. Then I will be now just writing here has ever created. Then you have to now write here region pro integrates. Then here you have to now create incredibility. So here I will be now writing incredibly. Then you have to now write here advanced technology. So here I will be writing technology. And you have to write here into. So I will be now writing here into an elegant common, right here compact form, right here resulting in an amazing experience. After writing this, you have to now write here every time. Then I will be writing you put it on. Then you have to now write here close p tag, which we have just written. So I will be closing it here like this. After closing, you have to now just write here div id page 1, or you can say page 1 like this. Then you have to move down in this tag, and I will be writing here canvas. Open close this as well. Then write here div id page 12 or page 1 2 like this, and write here h1 span, and I will be writing here enclosure. So here I will be now just removing this u from here and write s. Then you have to now just move here and write a singular. Then I will be writing piece of. So here I will be writing a singular piece of 3 dimensionally. So here I will be now writing form. So 3 dimensionally form laminated glass closed. So here I will be now writing glass closed into an aluminium. So here I will be writing aluminium alloy frame. Here I will be writing that. So here I will be writing that curves like this. That curves to wrap around. So here I will be writing your face. After writing this, you have to now create div id as page 13. Then I will be now writing h1 spend time like this, and then you have to now create light scene here. And I will be now just doing one thing. I will be moving forward and write here the light scene gently. Then I will be now writing the flexes to conform. Then I will be now just writing to your face like this. Then when you just written this here, I will be writing delivering a precise fit white blocking. Then I will be now writing out straight. Then here you have to now just write here then blocking out straight line. Then you have to now just write here div id, and I will be writing here page 40. Then you have to now write h1 span, and I will be writing heat band. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now writing here the heat band provides. Then I will be writing here cushioning. Then here I will be now just doing one thing, like I will be now writing here cushioning. Then I will be now writing here breathability. Then here I will be now just writing and stretch. Then when you just written this here, I will be writing the fit lets you adjust, and I will be writing here region pro, and I will be now writing here precisely. So here I will be now writing precisely like this, and here I will be writing to your head. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to write here div id page 15, and I will be now writing here h1 span. Then write here power. After writing this, you have to now just write here the external battery. So here I will be now writing supports up to 2 hours. Then I will be now writing here off use. Then write here and all day use when plugged in. Then I will be now writing here in .1. Then you have to now create div id page, and I will be now writing here 16 h1 span, and I will be now writing here sound. Then you have to now just write here. So here I will be now writing just as speakers. After writing this, you have to now write here position close to your ears. Then you have to now write here deliver like this, and write here pitch spatial. Then I will be now writing here audio while, and I will be now just writing here audio while keeping you aware. Then I will be writing keeping you aware of your then create surroundings. Now when you just written this, you have to give space here. right here surroundings like this. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down and write here div page 70. Right here h1 is where, and I will be writing here I side. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to now write an outward display reveals. Then I will be now writing here your eyes. Then you have to now write here while wearing. And then I will be now writing here region pro, comma. Then I will be writing here letting others know. Then I will be now just writing this tag and write here where you are using. Then here I will be now writing here apps or fully immersed. Then when you just run that, you have to now write here div id page 18. Then I will be now writing here div class, and I will be now writing here left 18. And then I will be moving down again and write here div class right 18. So here I will be now writing. After writing this tag, you have to now just do one thing. You have to move down and write here div class page 19, and I will be now moving down and write here div class id this time, which should be as. Here I will be moving, and then I will be giving here id as well. So by mistake I have written this. Now I have just set the id, and then again I will be setting id as center page 19. Then I will be now writing here video source, and I will be writing https / and I will be writing www.apple.com/105/media, and I will be now writing here us Apple Vision. So here I will be now writing us Apple Vision Pro, then /2023/70268, and like this. Then create here /init/large_2x.mp4. Then you have to now write here autoplay loop muted. Then you have to now just write here div id, and I will be now writing here page 20 -2, and I will be now writing here a singular. So here I will be now writing a singular piece of. So here I will be now just writing a singular piece of span 3 dimensionally. So here I will be now writing form laminated. Then I will be now writing here glass like this. After writing this thing, you have to now write here x as an optical surface. Then I will be writing for the cameras and sensors. Then you have to now just write that view the world. After writing this tag, you have to now just do one thing. You have to move forward and write here it flows seamlessly. Then I will be now writing into a stand custom. Then I will be now writing here aluminum. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now writing here alloy grain. Then you have to now just write here that gently curves. So here I will be now writing that gently curves to wrap around your feet, or you can say around your face, while serving as an attachment point. Then when you just written this, you have to write for the. Then I will be writing span tag right here light C. Then when you just written this, you have to move down after this tag and create an image tag again. And after writing the image tag here, you have to now just write here https://www.apple.com. So here I will be now writing. Then write here b/. Then I will be writing Apple Vision Pro. Then write here /a/images/ and I will be now writing here overview. Then I will be now writing here /design. So here I will be now writing again, and then you have to now just write here / again like this. Then here I will be just now writing light, and then you have to write here light C underscore F0 F087C V0. Then write here ZKCMM. Then I will be now writing here large, and here you have to write .jpeg like this. After writing this, you have to now simply move down, create button plus give space and write here learn more. So I will be now writing here learn more about design. Then you have to now move down and create div id as page 21 and write here canvas empty. So you can see now we have just written the canvas as empty. Then here you have to now just do one thing. You have to write here div id as page 22, and I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing h1 and write here more pixels than a 4K TV. Then you have to just write here for each eye. Then you have to move down and write here h5, write the span, and I will be writing here custom micro OLED display. So here I will be now writing micro OLED display system. Then here you have to now just write here system features 23. Then I will be now writing here million pixels, and I will be writing here VR, right here delivery, and then you have to now write here spanning like this, and then after writing this you have to write here resolution. So here I will be now writing resolution like this right here, and color. Then when you just write this you have to write and especially. Then I will be now writing here design VR, and I will be writing 3 element. And here when you just written this you have to write length creates, and I will be writing here the feeling, and I will be now writing here of a display. So here I will be now writing this. Then create that's everywhere. Then I will be now writing here Googl. And when you just written this, you have to create div ID, and I will be writing page 23. Then you have to now write here video, and here I will be writing https://www.apple.com. Then I will be now writing 105 media slash, and I will be writing us Apple. Then you have to write here region pro. Then you have to now write here slash 2023, and then you have to now write here slash again and create 7E268 like this. Now when you just run that, you have to now write here slash and write here spatial, and then you have to create spatial audio. Then you have to now write here large MP4. So I will be now writing large.mp4 like this. Then after creating, you have to now write here autoplay loop muted. Then you have to now just move down after the close video tag and write here divide as center page 23. Then you have to now write here H1, and I will be writing our most advanced. So here I will be now writing VR spatial audio. Then I will be writing system error. Then you have to now simply move down after the H1 and create dual deliver. And here I will be just, or you can say dual driver like this. I will be writing. So here I will be moving and writing here dual driver, create audio poles or audio ports, position, and I will be now writing next to each air deliver. So I will be now writing here like this and write personalize. So here I will be now just writing like this and create personalized. Then when you just written this, you have to write sound like. Here I will be now writing letting you. So here I will be writing letting you here. And after writing this tag, you have to now just write here what's around, and I will be now writing here you. When you just written this, you have to now write here ambient. Then you have to now write span tag. Write here spatial audio. So here I will be writing this. Then create here makes. So here I will be now writing makes sounds feel like, and I will be writing they are coming, and I will be now writing from your surroundings. So here I will be writing, and then you have to write and with audio, and I will be writing rate tracing. So I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here region pro. So I will be now writing here region pro like this and create analyzes. So here I will be now writing analyzes your rooms, and here I will be writing acoustic. So here I will be now writing acoustic like this. Write here properties. So here I will be now writing properties. Then write here dash and write here including, and then write here physical, including the physical materials. Write here dash to adapt. Then I will be now writing and match sound. So here I will be writing then write here to your space. Then when you just written this, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to now just save this. After saving, you have to reload this file. And when you just reload, you can see we are getting all the stuff like we were just getting in the start. Now we are getting Region Pro notified in production. We will be styling it using Tailwind moving forward. So now we are getting all the things here like this. So you can see these all things are working, and we are getting all the text which we have written, and it is looking good. So after getting these all text, you have to simply do like one thing. Again, we have to move down after the div. So now we have created another page 24 div after 2 div. So here I will be now creating a div which will be as page 24. Then write here image, and I will be now writing here ID. So first of all, remove the source and create ID as top. Then I will be now writing source https slash. So here I will be now writing https like this, and then I will be writing slash www.apple. So here I will be now writing www.apple.com/v/apple. So after writing this, you have to now just write here Apple Vision Pro, and then you have to now write here /a/images. Then I will be now writing here overview, then create technology like this, and then I will be now just writing here the features. So I will be writing features slash and write here I underscore eye tracking off. So here I will be now writing fx6 and 2D, and then I will be now writing here J3. So just here if I show you, so you can see till here we have just done that all things here. So now we are just getting all the things perfectly here down, and now we have to just do one thing, like we have now created this all images, or you can say all the things like we want here. Now I will be just moving at the back. So here you can see we have just written the ID as stop, and we have just defined as the thing like we want. So when you just done that, here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now writing here J3 M, and then I will be now writing here Q like this, and then create large dot JPEG. This is my image name. Then I will be again moving down and creating an image, and then here I will be creating an ID again, but now we will be not creating the ID as stop. We will be creating a different ID which should be as strong. After writing, you have to now write source https, and I will be writing www.apple.com. Then I will be writing /v/apple, and I will be now writing here Apple Vision Pro like this. Then you have to now write here /a/images. Then I will be now writing here /overview, and write here /technology. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this, you have to now just write here /features, and I will be now just moving here and creating I underscore tracking. Then you have to now write here tracking on like this, and I will be now writing here LN11, and then write here REQ S6MI6, and then I will be now writing here underscore large.jpeg, which is the image. Then you have to now simply do one thing. You have to move down after this text and write here div ID. So here I will be now moving. Then write here div ID as center. So I will be now writing here center page 24. Then you have to move down and write here hashtag, and I will be writing responsive, and I will be writing pre-session like this, and then you have to write here eye tracking. So here I will be moving and creating eye tracking like this. Then you have to move down and write here p tag, and I will be writing a high performance, and I will be writing a high performance eye tracking. Then I will be writing here system of span, and I will be writing here LEDs. And after writing this tag, you have to now write here n span tag again. Then create here infrared like this, and write here cameras. And then you have to now just do one thing. You have to now simply move forward and create projects. And here I will be now writing invisible, and then you have to write here invisible light. Then create here patterns, and I will be now writing here onto each eye. Then I will be now just writing here this advanced. So here I will be now writing this advanced like this, and I will be writing system provides. Then here I will be now writing ultra piece. So here you have to move and create ultra piece like this. Then I will be writing here ultra piece input without your, and I will be now writing here needing to, and I will be writing here hold any. Then you have to create here controllers. After writing, you have to now write this tag and create here so you can. So I will be now writing here so you can like this, and I will be writing accurately, and here I will be writing select element. So here I will be now writing like this, and write here just by element just by like this, and create here looking at, and I will be now just writing here there. So after writing this tag, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to move down after this tag and create div ID as page, and I will be writing here 25. Then create image tag, remove this source, and create ID in the place of it, which should be as snor. And then I will be now moving forward, create source https / right here www.apple.com/e/apple, and I will be writing here Vision Pro. Then I will be now writing here /a/images, and I will be now writing here overview. Then create technology, and I will be now writing here features. Then create /sensors, and I will be now writing here underscore off. Then I will be now writing CMZCMOW. Then I will be now writing here 4C. So CMOW. Then I will be now writing here 4C3F6. Then I will be now writing here medium. Then you have to create underscore 2x.jpg. Then I will be now doing one thing. I will be moving down and then creating image tag. Remove the source, and in the place of it, I will be writing ID as snort. So I will be now writing here snort and create source and https /www.apple.com. then write here slash ffill again, then here you have to write Vision Pro, then create here a tag, and then I will be now doing one thing like I will be now writing here images overlay. So I will be now writing here images overlay, then you have to create slash, and you can see we have just written the ID as is not. If I show you moving at the back here, you can see we have just written the ID as is not. Then after writing this, we have now written here images. Okay, so we have just written here Apple Vision Pro. Okay, so here we have written Apple Vision Pro like this, and we have now written slash a slash images. Then I will be now writing here slash overview, and I will be now just writing here technology. So here I will be now writing technology slash features, and I will be now just writing here slash sensors, and I will be now writing here all. Then create BP0A8E 4Y4U. Then I will be writing 4I underscore medium. Then I will be now writing here medium underscore 2x.jpg. After writing this tag, you have to now just move down and write here div ID. And in ID, I will be writing center page, and I will be writing 25. Then create h1, and here you have to write so is indicated, and I will be now writing here sensor and write here array. Then when you just written this, you have to move down and write here a pair of, and I will be now writing here span high resolution. Then create here cameras like this, then give a space from here as well, and I will be writing transmit over. So here I will be now just writing here over 1 billion. So here I will be now just writing here over 1 billion like this. Then create here pixels per second to the, and I will be now just writing here to the displays. So you can be, then I will be now just writing so you can see the, and here I will be writing world. So I will be writing so you can see the world around you clearly. So here I will be now writing, then you have to now just create the system. Here I will be writing also helps, and then you have to create deliver and create a span tag, and here I will be now moving down and creating precise. So here I will be writing head and head, and then I will be now writing this create tracking. So here I will be now writing create tracking. Then here you have to just press backspace and create span tag, and in this span tag I will be writing add and giving space from here. Then here I will be writing real time, and here I will be writing 3D. Then create mapping. After writing this mapping, you have to now just do one thing. You have to move here and then at the back, and then after moving at the back, I will be giving comma here, and then here I will be just doing one thing. I will be now writing here a tag. So and you have just done with that. Here I will be moving and writing all while understanding. So I will be now writing here all while understanding your hand. Here I will be now writing here gestures from a wide range, and I will be now writing here off positions. Then you have to now press backspace to get this P at the top. This means this close P tag, and write here div ID as page, and I will be now writing here 26 create image https slash, and I will be writing www.apple.com/v/apple-vision. Then I will be now writing here pro/a/images, and I will be writing overview. And here you have to write slash technology. So I will be now writing this, and then you have to now write here slash features. Write here sensors like this, and then you have to now create chips. Then I will be now writing S805, S50. Then I will be writing 3G, KII. Then I will be now just writing here media, and I will be now just writing underscore 2x.jpg. Then when you've just written this, you have to simply move down after this tag, create div ID, and I will be writing it as center page. So here I will be now writing center page 26 h1, in which I will be writing revolutionary. So here I will be writing dual chip performance. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this tag, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to write here full stop to close this, and then after closing, you have to now write here p tag, and I will be writing a unique dual chip. So here I will be writing a unique dual chip design enables, and I will be now writing the spatial, and here I will be writing experience on, and I will be now writing here Vision Pro. So here I will be now writing Vision Pro, the powerful, and then I will be writing here the powerful span M2, and I will be now writing here the powerful chip. So here I will be now writing like this, and write here simultaneously, and then I will be now writing here run vision OS, and I will be now writing here comma executes. And after writing this executes here, you have to now just simply write here advanced computer, and I will be now just writing here vision algorithms. Then you have to write here and like this, and then you have to now create delivers and write here stunning, and then you have to write here stunning graphics, comma all with. So here I will be now writing here all with incredible, and then you have to now just do one thing. You have to now move here and write here efficiently like this. So here I will be now writing efficiency. Then you have to now create and the brand new. So here I will be now writing spell tag, then press backspace here. Write here R1. Then when you just written this, you have to write here chip is. And then when you just written this, you have to write here specifically. So I will be now writing this and write here dedicated. And then when you just written this, you have to write to process input, and I will be now writing from the cameras. And then you have to now write here sensors. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to create a microphones. Then when you just written this thing, you have to create the streaming. So I will be now writing and streaming images to the displays. So after writing this, you have to now write here within 12 milliseconds. So here I will be now writing, then I will be writing for a virtually, and then I will be now writing lag free. Then I will be now writing here real time. Then when you just written this, you have to write view of the world. Then when you just written this thing, you have to now press this, you have to take this P at the top. Then you have to just do one thing, like we have closed this tag here. So I will be now closing div tag here as well. So I will be now moving. Then I will be now closing some divs here. Like this, I will be closing a div. Then I will be now writing here a div as well to close it here. Now when you just done that, you have to do like this, and you can see now we have just written that all this stuff here. And now you have to just do one thing, like when you've just written these all things, you have to simply save this. After saving this, you have to now reload. After reloading, you can see we are getting all the things like Visual Pro logo, then watch the film and all that stuff like we want. Now we have to style it to Tailwind. Now we have to just do the work of Stripe and Tailwind to make it the like you can say working on the front end and to deploy it on server. So we'll be deploying this project on server later on, but first of all we have to style this here. So now we have to just do it like this tag we have to write, and in this tag I will be now creating a margin simply like we created, and in this margin I will be now writing here as 0%, create padding as 0%. Now when you just done that, here you have to now only create here a box sizing as border box. Now here I will be also creating a font family as SF Pro, and I will be now writing here like SF Pro, and I will be now writing here display. Then when you just written this, you have to now move down, write here font face, create font family, and I will be now just writing here SF Pro. So here I will be now writing SF Pro display. So here I will be writing this. Then create source URL, and I will be now writing here fonts. Then you have to write here /SF Pro. So here I will be now writing display. Then create dash regular, and I will be now writing here TTL. So when you just written this, close it. Write here the main tags like we want. Then you have to now create here height 100%, and then you have to now write here width as 100%. Then when you just written this, you have to now move down, create hashtag main, and I will be now writing here position. Then in position, I will be now writing here relative overflow, and I will be now writing here hidden. Then when you just written this, you have to do one thing, like I will be now writing here hashtag page, and I will be now just creating position related. Then you have to write here height 100 VH. Then I will be now writing here width, which should be like 100 VW. Then you have to now create background color, and then I will be now just writing here 000 like this. Write here hashtag page, and then you have to now create lab, and I will be writing display flags. Then you have to write align items center. Then I will be now creating justify content should be space between. Then when you just written this, you have to create padding 0 pixel, and I will be writing here 20 pixel like this. Write here height 7 VH, and I will be now writing here width as 50 VW. Then create position, which should be absolute, and I will be now writing here top 0%. Then when you just written this, you have to write here left 50%. Then I will be now writing here transform translate X, and I will be now writing here minus 50%. Then you have to now create text color should be white. Then I will be now just moving down here and I will be just writing it as hashtag page, and I will be now just writing here nav button. Then when you just written this, you have to create padding 7 pixel, 20 pixel. Then write here border radius, and I will be now writing here 50 pixel. Then create here border as none. Then I will be now writing here background color, which should be like white. Then you have to now write here hashtag page nav, and I will be now writing here h3. Then when you just written this, you have to now create font weight 400. Then I will be now writing page and then create video. Right here height 100%. Then here you have to set its width as well, should be 50%. Then create object width. So I will be now writing here object width should be cover. Then I will be now writing here position absolute. Then I will be now writing here left 50%. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here transform translate. So here I will be now writing translate x minus 50%. Then you have to now write here hashtag page bottom. Then I will be now writing here height 20%. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here width as 25%. Then here I will be now writing position absolute and create bottom 5% like this, and then you have to create left as 50%. Then when you just written this, create transform translate x, and I will be writing here as minus 50%. Then create display should be flex here, so I will be writing this. Then in here I will be also writing align items center. Then create here justify content should be center. Then I will be now writing here flex direction column. Then you have to write here page bottom. Right here h3. Create color. So here I will be now writing color DA. Then I will be writing here margin bottom, which should be like 1 VH. Then here I will be writing page 1. Create here position related. Then I will be now writing here height 100 VH. And then when you just written this, you have to write here width 100 VH. And then when you just done with this thing, just you can do one thing like you can write VW like this and create background color white. Then when you just done that, here you have to write page 1, and I will be now writing here video. Create height, and I will be writing 100%, and I will be now just doing one thing like I will be writing width 100%. Then here I will be writing object width as cover, and then you have to now do one thing, you have to write hashtag page, and I will be now writing here page 1 h1. Then you have to create font size, create 4VW, and here you have to move down, write here color white. After writing this, you have to now write here font weight. Right here 500, create position. So here I will be now writing position absolute. Then write here bottom, and then you have to write here 20%. Then create here left, and then in left I will be now writing here 50%. Then create transform, and I will be now writing here translate x like this, and then you have to write here minus 50%. Then you have to write here white space. So here I will be now writing white space no rand. So here when you just written this, you have to move down. After moving down, I will be now just writing here page 2, then create here position relative. So here I will be now writing this, and then create height 100 VH, and I will be now writing here width 100 VW. Then here you have to write page 2, and I will be now writing here video. Then you have to create height should be 100%. Then I will be now writing here width 100%, and then create object width, and in object width I will be writing here cover. Then you have to write here hashtag page 2, and then write here h1, in which I will be now writing font size as 4VW. Write here position absolute, and I will be also writing here bottom 20%, and then create left 50%. Then when you just done that, you have to create transform, and I will be writing here translate x, create minus 50% here. Then you have to move down and write here white space should be no ref. Then I will be writing text align should be center. Then write here text color white. So here I will be writing this. Write here font weight, and even here I will be writing 500. Save this file, and then you have to simply reload it. And you can see now if I just show you, so we are getting something just styled at the top. You can see this Vision Pro has been styled like we want. After styling this, you have to now simply write here page 3. So I will be now doing one thing like I will be simply defining here hashtag, and I will be writing page 3 like this. Write here position relative, and I will be writing here height as 100 VH, create width as 100 VW. Then you have to now just write here hashtag page 3, and I will be now writing here video. Then create height 100%. So I will be now simply writing this. Also write width 100%. Then I will be now writing here object width. So here I will be now writing cover. Then you have to now write here hashtag page 3 and write here h1. Then you have to now write here font size should be 4pw. Then create position absolute and write here bottom 20%. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here left 50% and I will be now just writing here transform create translate x. Then you have to now write here minus 50%. Then after writing this you have to now write here white space and write here no wrap. So here I will be writing this and then you have to create text align center. Now when you just written this thing you have to now write here text color. So here I will be now writing color white and write here font weight 500. Then when you've just done with this thing here, I will be now doing one thing like I will be moving down right here page code. Then here I will be now writing here position related. Then right here height 100 ph. And then when you just get that you have to write here width 100 pw. Then when you just done that here you have to create page code video and I will be now just writing here height. So here I will be now writing height 100%. Then write here width as 100 pw. Then when you just done that you have to now write here page 4 video which we have already written and then here I will be now writing here 100% because we have already written at the top. Then here I will be writing object with cover. Then here you have to move down and create hashtag page 4 and I will be now writing here h1. Then create font size. Here I will be writing 4pw and I will be also writing here position absolute. Then write here bottom which should be 20%. Then create left 50%. Then I will be also writing here transform translate x and I will be writing minus 50%. Then I will be writing white space. So here I will be now writing white space should be no wrap. Then you have to write here text align center. Then you have to write here text color white. Font weight 500. Then you have to now just write here page 5. So here I will be now writing this. Write here position relative and write here height 100 ph. Width 100 pw, create background color white and then when you just written this you have to now write here page 5 and I will be now creating width 60 and then I will be now writing here position which should be absolute and then when you just written this you have to now write here top 50% and then you have to now simply do one thing you have to write here left 50%. Then you have to now create transform and then when you just written this you have to now write here a tag which should be like translate and I will be writing minus 50% comma minus 50%. Then write here page 5 and I will be now writing here upper. So here I will be writing this. Then write here height as 25% and I will be now writing here width 35%. Then you have to write here position absolute. So after writing this tag you have to now write here z index 9. Then I will be now writing here top 5% and I will be also writing here left 50%. Then when you just done that here you have to write transform. Then here I will be writing translate x and here I will be also writing minus 50%. Save it here and then reload. So after reloading you can see our second page is also being styled here and it is looking good. So when you just done that here you have to now simply do one thing like I will be moving here and creating width as 80% also. So here we have just written page 5. Okay, so we don't have to write width here like this. So I will be now creating page 5 again and write here dash upper and I will be now writing image. Write here position absolute and then I will be writing here top 10%. Write here left 50%. Then I will be writing here a tag as transform and I will be writing here translate x, create here minus 50%. Then write here width as 80%. Then you have to now write here page 5 and I will be writing upper inner and you have to create position absolute. Then here you have to write bottom 0%. Then I will be now writing here height which should be 6%. So I will be now writing here height 6%. Then write here width 100% and I will be now just writing here display flex. And then I will be now creating align items center. Then here I will be writing justify content should be space between. Then when you just done that here you have to move down and then I will be now creating padding. So here I will be writing padding 080 pixel and create color as ff5800. Then you have to move down and write here hashtag page upper inner and I will be now writing here h3. After writing this you have to now write here font weight and create 500. Then here I will be writing page 5 and then you have to write button and then you have to now create position absolute and then you have to create bottom 7%, and I will be now just moving down and right here left 50%. Then you have to now write here transform, and then you have to now create translate as create minus 50%, and then after writing this you have to move down and write here padding 15 pixel, 30 pixel, right here border 1 pixel, solid, then write here 000, and then write font weight as 500. Then here when you just written this, you have to create border radius as 50 pixel, font size 1.4 VW. Then when you just written this, you have to write page 6. So here when you just done that, move down and write here position related. So here I will be now writing this. After writing now, you have to now write here height as 100 ph, and I will be writing width as 100 VW. Then you have to now write here hashtag page 6, and I will be now just writing here video, and I will be just writing height 100%. So here I will be now writing this width 100%, and I will be also writing here object width, which should be covered. Then you have to move down and then write here hashtag page 6, and then you have to now write like this right here center page 6. Then you have to move down and write here font size should be 2 VW. Then I will be writing here position absolute, and I will be also writing here bottom 20%, and then create left 50%. Then when you just done that, you have to create transform translate x. So here I will be now writing translate x minus 50%. Then write here white space. So here I will be writing no red. Then when you just written this, create text align center. Then here I will be writing color. So here I will be now writing color white. Then write here font weight, and then create 500. Save it here, and then you have to reload. So after reloading here, you can see we are just now getting the things down also, which is now being styled. So we have to now make it good looking, so we also get the smooth effect here on the background with the scrolling. So for getting that effect, you have to simply move down here after this center page tag which we have written, and write here page 7. Then write display, which should be flex, and then write here position relative, and then create height 60 VH, and I will be also writing width as 100 VW. Then I will be scrolling down, and here you have to write dot left 7. So here I will be writing this, and then I will be writing position relative, and then write here height. In height I will be writing 100%, and after writing this you have to now write here width, which should be 50%. So then here you have to move down and create left 7 again, and then write here H1. Write font size as 2.3 VW, and here I will be writing position absolute, and then when you just written this, you have to write here left, which should be 50%. Then here I will be also writing transform translate x minus 50%. Then write here top 10%. Then you have to create right 7, and after writing this right 7, create display should be flex, and here I will be writing align items, and then after align items you have to write here start. Then create justify content, which should be space around. So here I will be moving down and write here flex direction column, and then you have to now create height as 100%. Then here I will be also writing width as 50%. Then here I will be writing padding left. So here I will be writing padding left as 5 VW. Then write here right 7, and then you have to create H3. And here I will be writing font size. So here I will be setting its font size to 1.8 VW. Then write here width 80% like this. Then here after writing this tag, you have to now write here color, which should be 868B. Then you have to move down and write here right 7, and then create button. Then write here padding, which should be 10 pixel. And then you have to now write here 20 pixel like this. Then you have to now write here border. And then I will be writing here background color should be capital FE6918. Then you have to move down and write here color white. After writing this, you have to now write here font weight as 400. So I will be now writing here. Then you have to now write here border radius, which should be 50 pixels. Then when you just done that, here you have to now move down and write here font size. And in font size, I will be writing 1.3 VW. Then I will be writing here margin top as 1.5 VW. Then you have to create hashtag page 8, and I will be moving down and writing here position relative, and write here height as 100 ph, width as 100 VW. Then when you just written this, you have to write here page 8 video, and I will be writing here height as 100%, and I will be writing here width as 100%, and I will be writing here object width cover. So here I will be now writing here object with cover, and then you have to write here hashtag page 8. Then write here center page 8. And then you have to move down and write font size should be 2VW. And then when you just written this, you have to now write here position absolute. And then you have to now write here bottom 20%, and I will be just now writing here left 50%. Then when you just done that, here I will be moving down and write here transform and create here translate X, and I will be writing minus 50%. Then write here white space, and then you have to now just write here no wrap, and then create text align should be center. Then write here text color should be white, and I will be writing font weight. So here I will be writing 500. Then here I will be writing page 9. Then here I will be writing display flex and create position relative, and I will be writing here height 60 VH. Then when you just written this, you have to create width 100 VW and write here left 9. Then create your tag which should be like position, and I will be now just writing here position relative, and I will be now just writing here height which should be 100%. Then write here width should be 50% like this. Then write here left 9 should be like H1 and create a tag which should be like font size. So here I will be now writing font size 2.3 VW, and then you have to create position should be absolute. And write here left 50%, and I will be writing here transform translate X minus 50%, and then write here top 10%. Then you have to move down and write here right 9, create a tag which should be like display flex, and I will be writing here align items start. Then here I will be writing justify content space around. Then create a tag which should be like flex direction column. Then I will be now moving down and write here height should be like 100%, and I will be also writing width 50%. Then create padding left. So here I will be writing padding left 5 VW. Then you have to move down and write here right 9. Then after writing this, you have to write H3 tag. Write font size as 1.8 VW, and then here I will be writing width 80%. Then you have to create color as 8686. Then I will be writing 8B. Then you have to move down like this. After moving down, you have to now write here right 9 button, right here padding 10 pixel, and I will be writing 20 pixel. So after writing this tag, you have to now write here border as none, and I will be now writing here background color which should be like FE6918. Then here I will be now just moving down and write here color of text white. Then here I will be writing font weight should be 400. Then after writing this, you have to now write here border radius as 50 pixel. Write here font size 1.3 VW. Then create margin top, and I will be now writing here 1.5 VW. So here I will be now writing 1.5 VW. Then you have to now write here hashtag page 10. And after writing this, you have to now create display flex, and then write here align items center. So here I will be writing this. Write here justify content should be in center. Then here you have to write flex direction column. Then here I will be writing text align should be center. Then write here position relative. Then write here height 70 VH. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to now write width as 100 VW. Then here I will be writing background color, and I will be writing here F5 F7. Then here you have to move down. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing hashtag page 10, and I will be now just writing here H3 create margin bottom, and I will be now writing here 1 VW, and then write here font size 2 VW like this. Write here page 10 again and write H1, and then create margin bottom, and I will be now writing here 1.5 VW. Then create font size and write here 4 VW. Then write here page 10 and then create p tag, and here I will be writing font size 1.2 VW, and here I will be moving down and create width. Then here I will be now just writing a tag which should be like font weight 700 and create color as 868680. Then here you have to move down and write page 11. So here I will be now writing just like that page 11. Then here I will be writing position here as relative. Then write here height 100 VH, and I will be now writing here width 100 VW. So here I will be now writing 100 VW. Then here you have to create background. So here I will be now writing background color F5 F7. Then you have to now just move down, write here page 11, write canvas. Then here I will be writing position relative and create max width as 100 pw, create max height 100 vh, and I will be now writing here z index and create 99. Then you have to now write here hashtag page 12. Then here I will be writing position, and then here you have to write position relative. Then here I will be writing height 100 vh, and then you have to now write here width 100 vw. Then here I will be writing background color, and then when you just written this, you have to write background color as f5, f5, f7. Then you have to now just write here page 12. So here I will be now moving down, write here hashtag page 12. Then here you have to write h1 and then create width as 20%. Then when you just written this, you have to write here top 50%. Then create transform. So here I will be now writing here transform translate by. Then create minus 50%, and here I will be now just moving down and writing that 7%. Then here I will be now just writing here font size. So here I will be now just moving down and write here font size 500. Write here color 87878C. Then you have to move down, write here z index 99, and then you have to create position absolute. Then when you just done that, here you have to now just do one thing, you have to write here page 12 and create h1 and write stand tag. Write here color white, black, sorry. So this is the color code of black. Hashtag page 13, and I will be writing position relative, and I will be now writing here height 100 vh. So here I will be now writing and create width as 100 vw, and then create background color 5f5 f7. Then you have to now just take the backspace here. Then here I will be writing page 13. Right here h1, and then here you have to now move down. Then here I will be creating a tag as width 20%. Then here I will be now just writing top 50%. And after writing this, you have to now write here transform translate by minus 50%. Then here you have to now just move down and then create right 7%. Then you have to now move down and write your font size in 1.3 VW, and then create font weight as 500. Then here I will be writing color. In color I will be now writing here 7878C. Then create here z index, and in z index I will be now just writing here as 99. Create position absolute, and here I will be now just writing page 13. So here I will be writing create h1 scan. And here I will be writing color 00 means 000. Then write here page 14, and then here I will be writing position relative, and then create height as 100 vh, and then when you just written this, you have to write here width 100 vw, and I will be writing the background color right here f5, f5, f7. Then you have to move down again, and here you have to just write page 14. Then write here h1, create width as 20%. So here I will be now writing this. Create top as 50% here. Then I will be now writing transform. Right here translate by. Then I will be writing minus 50%. Then write here left 7%, and I will be now just moving down. Create font size as 1.3 VW. Then here I will be now writing font weight as 500. And here I will be writing color. And in color I will be now just writing 87878C. Then move down and write z index 99. Then here I will be writing position absolute, and I will be now just creating page 14. Right here h1 span, and I will be now just moving down, and here I will be writing color text white, black. So 000 I have written the color code. Then write here page 15 and create position as relative here. Then write here height as 100 vh. So here I will be now writing this, and write here width as 100 vw. Then after writing this tag, you have to now set its background color. So I will be now writing here background color as f5, f5, f7. Then you have to move down and create page 15 and write here h1. Then you have to write width 20%. So here I will be now writing this, and write here top 50%. Then create transform and write here translate y, create minus 50%, and then write here left 7%. Then you have to write here font size as 1.3 VW. Then create font weight as 500. So after writing this tag, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to write here color of text should be 87878C. Then write here z index should be 99. Then I will be writing here position absolute like this, and then write here page 15. Write h1 span, and I will be writing here color black. Then you have to move down and then write here page 16. then I will be writing here position relative. So here I will be writing this, and then right here height 100 ph. So here I will be now writing this, and then after writing this you have to now write here width 100 pw, and then you have to now write here, then here you have to create background color should be like F5, F5, F7. Then here I will be writing page 16, right here H1, and then you have to now just move in this tag and write here width as 20%, and right here top should be 50%, and then you have to now write here like transform, and I will be now writing here translate y, then create here minus 50%, and I will be moving down right here right 7%, then right here font size, and in font size I will be writing 1.3 VW, and then create font weight, and here I will be writing 500. Then create color 87878C, then here I will be writing Z index should be 99. Then here I will be moving down and create position absolute. Then here I will be writing page 16, and then you have to write H1 span. Then here I will be writing color black. Then create here page 17. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be moving down here in this curly bracket. Then here you have to write position, and then I will be now writing here relative height 100 ph, and I will be writing here width should be 100 VW. So here you have to now just create background color as well, which should be F5, F5, F7. Then here I will be now writing page 17 like this and create H1, and here I will be writing width 20%, and then you have to now write here top 50% here. Then you have to create transform, translate X, and then I will be writing to like transferring to translate Y minus 50%. Then you have to move down and write here depth 7%. Here I will be writing font size as 1.3 VW. Then create font weight as 500. So here I will be now writing this. Create color, and I will be writing 87878C. When you've just written this, you have to move down and create Z index 99. Then here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be moving down and write the position absolute, and then here I will be writing page 17. Right here H1 span tag, and I will be moving down here. Right here color black. Then you have to move down and create page 18 like this, and then here I will be just doing one thing. I will be now writing here display flex, and I will be writing align items center. Then here I will be writing justify content should be space around. So here I will be now writing this. Right here position, and then create relative. Right height as 100 ph. So here I will be now writing this. Right here 100 VW as well. Then right here background color should be white. So here I will be now writing this, and then right here left 18. And after writing this left 18, here you have to now just write here height as 90%. Then here you have to now write here width as 45%. Then create position, which should be related. Right here background image, and then here I will be writing URL. After writing this URL, here you have to now just set the URL here. So I will be now just writing in the URL as https/ and I will be writing www.apple.com/e/apple-vision, and then I will be writing pro/a/images/overview. Then I will be writing here /design. Then I will be writing /glass. So here when you just written this thing, you have to now simply do one thing, like I will be now writing here a tag which should be like class underscore top underscore underscore k3 bl. Then I will be now writing here k3b 8l. Then write here zq1 and 2m. Then I will be now writing here underscore large, and I will be writing .jpeg. Then when you just written this, you have to close this tag here. After closing this, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to move down after this tag, and then create here background size should be covered. Then here I will be writing height 18. Then I will be also writing here height as 90%, and I will be writing width 45%. And then here I will be writing position relative, and I will be writing background image this time. And in background image, I will be writing URL. And here I will be now just writing a tag which should be like HTTPS. So here I will be now writing HTTPS / and I will be writing www.apple.com/e/apple, and I will be writing here Vision Pro A, and I will be now writing here images / and write here overview, and I will be now writing here design. So here I will be writing this and create glass. And after writing this, you have to now just do one thing. You have to now create a tag which should be like last side underscore, and then write here gm4ago, and then I will be now writing rwl, then write here 2e right underscore large.jpg. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to do like this, and after writing that all stuff, you can see we have just written that all things like we want. Now after writing this all stuff, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to write background size as well here. So now here I will be creating background size which should be covered. Then here I will be now defining page 19, which I will be writing position as relative, and I will be writing some height 100 VW, and then I will be also writing width as 100 VW. Then create display next, and I will be writing here align items should be center. Then you have to write justify content in center. Then right here center page 19, and then here I will be writing tag as height. So here I will be now writing height 90%. Then I will be writing here width 95%. Then right here position relative, and I will be writing here center page. Then I will be now writing here 19. Then I will be now writing here video height. Then right here 100% like this. Right here width 100%. Then you have to now simply do one thing. You have to create object fit, and then I will be now just writing here cover. Then I will be now just writing here page 20, and then after writing this tag, you have to now write here position relative, and I will be writing here height 120 vh. So here I will be now writing 120 vh width, and here I will be writing 100 vw. Then you have to now write here display flags, and I will be now just writing here align items center. Then you have to now write here justify content. Then I will be now writing here justify content in center. Right here flags direction column. Then you have to now write here page 20, and then write here h2 right position absolute. Right here width 150%, right color should be 434343C7. Then you have to now write here font weight should be like 500. Then here I will be writing like top 3%. So here I will be now writing this. Then when you just done that, here I will be now writing page 20. So here I will be now writing page 20 like this. And then after writing this, you have to create page 20 image. So here I will be now doing one thing. I will be now writing here page h2, and I will be now writing here spend time, give space, and then after giving a space, you can see we have just written that all the stuff like we want, and then I will be now giving here the color as black, the text color I want to give. Then I will be writing page 20 again. This time I will be writing width 60% here in the image. Right here position absolute, and I will be also writing here bottom, which should be like 0%. Then when you just written this, you have to write page 20, and I will be now writing here button, then create position should be like absolute. So after writing this, you have to now write here bottom 10%. Then here I will be writing padding 10 pixel, and I will be writing 20 pixel. Then here I will be writing font size, and I will be writing 1.5 pw, and here I will be writing border radius, and I will be writing 50 pixel. Then here I will be writing background color FF823D. Then here I will be moving down create color white, and I will be writing the font weight 500. Then here I will be writing border map. So here I will be now just moving down, and after moving down, just here I will be creating page 21. Page 21 I will be writing the position related. Right here height as 100 vh. So simply I will be writing that right here width as 100 vw, and then create top right here 0%, and right here background color as black. Then when you just written this, you have to write here page 21 canvas, and I will be writing here position relative, and I will be writing here max width as 100 vw, and then you have to write here max height as 100 vw. Then you have to write here page 22, and then you have to now write here display next, and I will be now writing here align items center. So when you just written this, you have to now write here justify content which should be like in center. Then you have to now write here position relative. So here I will be now just writing here color again, color should be white, and then I will be writing height as 30 vh, create width as 100 vw, and then you have to write here background color should be like black. Now you have to just save it here. Then if I reload, so you can see now we are just getting all the things this time totally good. and it is looking awesome. You can see we are getting the hover effect as well on that stuff, which is looking awesome. I think that. So when you are just getting that all things, you can see just down things are not too much style there, so we have to make it more good looking. So for making it that things here, yeah, I will be just taking these all things at the top. Then I will be now just moving down in right here page 21 canvas. Then here you have to now just write position related. Right here max width 100 pw. Right here max height, it should be 100 pw. Then you have to now write here page 22. So here I will be now writing page 22, and then here I will be writing display flags, and I will be also writing here align items flags. So here you can write in center. Then I will be writing justify content in center. Then you have to now write here position related, and I will be writing here color of text should be white. Then I will be writing here height 30 ph, and I will be now just moving down and write here width 100 pw, and then when you just written this, you have to create background color, and then I will be now just writing black. Now when you just written this, you have to now write here flags direction, which should be column. Right here text align should be in center. Then I will be now just writing here font size 1.5 VW, and then when you just written this, you have to create page VW H5, and I will be now just writing here width 35%, and I will be now just writing here color 868680. Then you have to move down and write here page 22. Right here H5 span, and I will be now just writing here color white. Then when you just done that, you have to write here page 23. Then I will be now writing here position related, and I will be now writing here height. Then I will be now writing 100 VH, and then create width as 100 VW, and then here I will be writing background color black. So here I will be now writing this. Now when you just written this, here you have to create page 23 video. Right here and height. So here I will be writing 100% and create width 100%. Then right here object fit cover. Then I will be now writing here hashtag center page 23. So here I will be now writing display flags. So here I will be now moving down and write here align items center. And then when you just written this, you have to now write here flags direction column, and then you have to create position. So here I will be now just writing here position absolute. Then create right as 10%. So here I will be now writing this. Then create top 62%. So when you just written this, you have to create color white. Now when you just done that, you have to write here height 100%. Then write here width 50%. Then you have to now write here center page 23, and I will be now writing H1 font size 2 VW. Right here margin 1.7 VW. Then when you just done that, you have to write here center page. So here I will be now 23 pixel. Right 43% the width. Right color 868680. Then when you just written this, you have to write center page 23. So here I will be now writing p tag span tag. Then write here color of text white. Now you have to write here page 24. Then I will be now writing position relative, and I will be writing here height 100% or 100 VH you can say. Then write here width 100 VW. Write here then write here page 24, and I will be writing hashtag top. Write here top 40%, and I will be writing left 50%. And then when you just written this, write here transform translate minus 50% comma minus position absolute. So you can see we have just now set it, and I will be writing width 50%, and I will be writing here z index 9. After writing this, you have to write here page 24, and I will be writing here chart. Right here chart, and I will be now writing top 40%, right left 50%, and then I will be also writing transform translate x minus 50% comma minus 50%. Right here position absolute. Then here I will be writing width 50%. Then I will be now just writing center page. So here I will be writing 24. Right display. So here I will be writing flags, and then create align items center. Right here flags direction column, and then create position absolute, and I will be writing here text align center. Now when you just written this, you have to create top 70%, and I will be writing here margin top 3%. Then here I will be writing left 50%. So after writing this, you have to now just do one thing. You have to create transform. So I will be now writing here transform like this. Right here, translate as -50%. So when you just done that, here you have to also do one thing. You have to create color of text white here, and I will be writing here height 100%. Right here width 50%. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now just write here hashtag center page, and I will be writing 24 H1 and create font size 2VW. Then I will be now writing here margin bottom 1.7VW. Then when you just done that, here you have to write 7 like this. Now you have to create here a tag which should be like center page 24 t tag, and I will be now just writing here font weight as 600, and I will be now writing here width 55%, and then you have to now just do one thing, create color 86868B. Then you have to now write here center page right here 24. Then after writing this, you have to now create a p tag here, span tag, and I will be now writing here text color white. Then you have to now write here page 25. Then write here position related. Then after writing this, you have to now just write here height 100 VH. Then I will be now writing width 100 VW. Then write here background color black, and I will be now writing here page 25, and I will be now writing here north. Then create here top 40%, and I will be now just writing left 50%. Then after writing this, you have to now write here transform. So here I will be writing translate -50%, comma -50%. Then write here position absolute, and then write here width 50%. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I'll be moving down right here z index 9. Then I will be now just writing here page 25. Right here is not. Then here I will be writing top 40%. Right here left 50%. Then I will be now just writing here transform. Right here translate -50%, comma -50%. Then right here position absolute. Then I will be writing width 50%. So I will be writing this. Then move down. So here after moving down, this you have to now move down again and write here center page 25, and write here display this should be flags. Then write here align items center, and I will be writing here flags direction column. Right here position absolute, and I will be also writing here text align center. Then write here top 70%, and I will be writing margin top as 1.5%. Then here you have to write left 50%, and I will be writing transform. So here I will be writing transform as translate x, and I will be writing -50%. Then write here text color white. I will be writing here height 100%, and when you just written this, here you have to write width. So here I will be now writing width 50% like this, and then you have to write center page, and I will be writing 25 H1, and I will be writing font size 2VW. Then when you just written this, you have to write here center page 25, and then p tag, and here I will be now just writing like font weight as 600, and I will be writing here width 55% color, and in color I will be writing 86868B. Then here I will be now just writing center page 25, and write here p tag span tag like this. Right here color white. Now you have to just write here page 26, and then create position relative. Right here height 100 VH. Then I will be writing white space. Then here I will be writing 100 VW. Create background color should be black. So here I will be now writing this. Right here page 26 image, and I will be writing height 100%. Then when you just written this, you have to write here width as well 100%. Then you have to now write here object fit. So here I will be now writing object fit cover. When you just done that, here I will be now writing opacity 0. Then here you have to move down and write here center page 26, and I will be now writing here display flags, and then create align items center. Then I will be now writing here flags direction column. Then write here position absolute, and I will be writing text align center. Then write here top 70%, and I will be now writing here margin top should be 1.5%. Then you have to now write here left 50%, and I will be now moving down and write here transform translate, and I will be now writing here x -50%. Then when you just written this, you have to write here text color white. Write here height 100%, and I will be now just moving down and write here width 50%. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here center page 26. right here h1, and I will be writing font size 2BW. Then I will be now just moving down and creating hashtag center page 26 p tag, and I will be now writing the font weight as 600. Right here width, and in width I will be now just writing here as 55%. Then right here color as 86868. Then I will be now writing here center page 26. So here I will be now writing p tag, spend tag, and I will be now just writing here color white. Save it here, reload. Now if I just show you, you can see we are getting all the stuff here, and now we have to just see that all the things are getting or not. So we have to style these all things as well moving forward. So now when you just done with that all things, just you have to do another thing like. So just here if I show you, so you can see we have just done these all things till here. If I show you, so you can see this. Just I was just telling you about the styling, and we have just done all the styling like we want here. Now we were just we have to do just some of the codes of JS, means we will be writing the backend here, because now we have just done all the front end things, like we have just used Next.js and Tailwind CSS here on the front. So we have also styled this. Now we have to just do like we have to put stripe in that, so we can just get that animation effect here, and we should also put here like all the other server side rendering things, like I'm telling you, we'll be using stripe to host it on the server. So just now we'll be first of all starting with our JS file here, and we have to write some of the code of JS from which we can start and from which we can just work on our server side rendering. So for doing that, here we have to move on to the script file here which we are having. After moving to this file here, we have to just simply do the things like I am telling you. First of all, you have to put the function tag here. So here first of all we'll be creating a function, and here in this function I will be now giving the gap and writing logo. And when you have just written this, you have to make open close bracket. After this, make this curly bracket and move down. Then write here GSAP dot. So here I will be now writing GSAP dot register, and then I will be now just writing here GSAP dot register plugin. Then I will be now writing here scroll. Then I will be now writing here trigger. Then here you have to close it, and then you have to now just write here using locomotive. So here I will be now writing using locomotive like this, and writing here scroll from locomotive. Then here I will be now just writing https://github.com/locomotive. Then I will be now just writing here slash like this, and you can just write any other thing, like I can write the locomotive again. Now when you just done that, you have to simply move down and create a const tag here in which I will be writing loco scroll. Then I will be now just writing equal to new locomotive. Then I will be now just writing here scroll. Make this bracket and then curly bracket and move down right here el document. So here I will be now just writing like this el. Then I will be now just moving here and writing here el document. Then write here dot query selector. Then you have to make this bracket and write here hashtag main. Then I will be moving down after this tag and create smooth. Then write here true, comma, then close this, and here I will be now just writing each time. So here I will be writing each time locomotive scroll. Then I will be now writing here update like this. Right here tell scroll trigger. So I will be now writing like this and create here to update to. Then you have to now write here sync like this. So here I will be now just writing like this sync provider. So here you have to write. Then when you just written this, you have to write here logo scroll. Then I will be now just moving here and creating on, and then I will be now just writing here scroll like this, and here you have to just write scroll trigger. So here I will be now writing, then write here dot update. You have to close this tag and write here tell scroll trigger. So here I will be now just writing this, and I will be writing to use these. So here I will be writing proxy methods, and I will be now just writing for the main. So here I will be now just writing for the main element since, and I will be now writing here locomotive. Then when you just written this, you have to simply move down and create scroll trigger. So I will be now writing scroll trigger like this, and I will be now just writing here scroller proxy. Then you have to make this bracket and create main tag. So I will be writing hashtag main, comma. Then you have to move down and write here scroll top. Then here I will be making this tag and writing here value. Make this curly bracket and move down. Write here return arguments. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to write here length like this. Then you have to now make this question mark here and write here logo scroll dot. And I will be writing here scroll to. Then make the bracket here and write here value 0, 0. Then you have to now move down, right here logo, scroll, and I will be writing dot scroll, right here instance, and then I will be now writing here scroll by, and then close this tag, and you have to now write here comma, then I will be now writing we don't. So here I will be writing we don't have to define scroll left because, so here I will be writing because we are only scrolling vertical. Now when you just written this, you have to simply move down, and here I will be just writing a tag as get bounding, and I will be now writing here client get. Make this bracket, and here you have to now write return like this, and then I will be writing top 0. After writing this top 0, here I will be now just writing left 0. So here I will be also writing like comma, and I will be writing left 0. Then you have to now simply write here width as window. So here I will be writing dot inner width, and I will be now just writing here comma height, and then here you have to write window inner height. So here I will be now writing this, and after writing this tag, you have to now write this comma, close this tag, and just write here comma again. Then you have to now write here logo motive, scroll, handles things completely. So here I will be writing completely differently. So here I will be writing completely differently on mobile devices. So here I will be now writing this. Now when you've just done that, you have to create bin type here, and here I will be now just writing document dot query selector, and I will be now just writing here main tag. So I'll be writing hashtag main, and I will be now just writing dot style. So here you have to write transform. After writing transform, here I will be writing this question mark here, and I will be now writing here transform again. Then you have to now create this tag and write here fixed. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now move down and create each time, and here I will be writing each time the window update, and I will be writing like this, we should refresh, and I will be writing here scroll trigger. So I will be now writing this, and here I will be writing and then updates. So here I will be now just writing. Then you have to now create scroll trigger, and then you have to write here dot add event listener. So here I will be now writing this, then make the bracket and write here refresh. Then you have to now simply write here comma, make this bracket here and write logo scroll. So I will be now writing here logo scroll like this, and write here dot update, make this bracket here like this, close this, and then here I will be writing after everything is set up. So here I will be now writing this. Here I will be now writing refresh, make the bracket here and create scroll trigger, and then you have to now just write here and update and create locomotive scroll. Now when you just written this, you have to create scroll trigger, and I will be now writing here refresh, make this bracket and close this tag here. Now here you have to just move down after the close bracket and create logo, open close bracket, close this tag, write here GSAP.to, and I will be now just writing here like this page video. Then I will be now writing comma, move down and create scroll trigger. Then here you have to now make this tag and write here trigger like this, and write this page video. So here I will be now writing page. First of all, you have to write hashtag page and then write this video like this. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to create comma, write here start, and I will be now just writing here like this and create 2%, and here I will be now writing 2% off comma. Then I will be now writing here scroller. Then I will be now just writing like this hashtag name. Then you have to write comma, and then you have to just simply write here comma as well and create on start, make the bracket and write like this. Then you have to move down and write here document dot query selector. Then I will be now writing hashtag page video. Then you have to write dot play and make this bracket open close here comma, and you have to close this. Now till here when you just written this, you have to save this file and then reload. So if I reload and show you, you can see now we are getting the scroll effect, but now it has been changed into smooth. You can see now our scroll has been changed into smooth. But first when we were just doing the scroll, like when we have just styled that, so our scroll was right, you can see not very much smooth here. But now when you have just written these all tags, so because of that our scroll has been changed into too much smooth, and when I'm scrolling, so it is just giving me a smooth effect here, which is looking good, I think. So now when you are getting this here, you have to simply do one thing. You have to move down after the close column which you have just written here. I will be writing GSAP.to, and I will be now just doing like I will be writing hashtag page right here comma, make curly bracket and move down right here, scroll trigger. So I will be writing this, and then you have to now make this curly bracket and move down right here, trigger, and I will be now just writing here hashtag page. Then you have to write here start, and I will be now just writing top, right, comma, and then here I will be writing and bottom. So here I will be now writing and bottom top. Then close this, means right comma and move down right here, scroller, hashtag main. Then you have to now just write here pin like this, and I will be writing here two, comma, and here as well. Then close this tag. After closing this, you have to move down, and then you have to create here again a GSAP tag, and I will be writing two, and then you have to make this tag and write here page bottom. So I will be writing this. So here you have to write hashtag page dash bottom like this. Then I will be now just making curly bracket and move down and write here scroll trigger, and you have to now just make this tag and move down and write here trigger and write here page bottom. So here I will be now writing page bottom. Then you have to write here start, and I will be writing and then here I will be writing and bottom. So here I will be now just writing and bottom top. Then create scroller, and here I will be now just writing hashtag main tag. Then I will be now writing here comma like this, and then here as well, and write here capacity 0. Then you have to write here comma, close this. Then I will be now writing vartl is equals to, then I will be writing GSAP dot timeline. Then here I will be now making this curly bracket and move down right here to scroll trigger, and I will be now writing here like this tag, and I will be now just writing here trigger, and then you have to create page 1. Then here when you just written this, you have to now move down and write here start, right here top, and I will be now moving down and write here scrub, and in scrub I will be now just writing here 1 comma, then write here scroller, and write here hashtag main. Then I will be now writing here pin true, so I will be writing this, and then you have to write comma, close this. Then you have to write here tl.2, then make this tag, and here I will be now writing hashtag page 1 h1, and then you have to write comma, make this curly bracket and move down here. Then I will be writing top 20%, and I will be now just writing comma, closing this tag, and here I will be writing var. Then I will be writing tl1 equal to, then I will be writing GSAP dot timeline here, make this bracket and write here scroll trigger. So here I will be now writing this, and then you have to move down. After writing this curly bracket, write here trigger, and I will be now writing here page 2. Write here comma, and then write here start, create top. Then I will be writing here comma like this. Scrub I will be writing 1. Then you have to now write here scroller, then I will be writing hashtag main comma. Then I will be now moving down and write here pin 2. Then you have to write here comma, close this tag here. Write here tl1, then I will be writing dot 2. Here I will be now writing page 2, and I will be writing h1. Then you have to write here comma, make this curly bracket move down, top 20%. Then you have to now just do one thing, make the curly, means you have to make the colons, and in which I will be writing here 20%. Then you have to write comma, then close this tag here. Write here var, then I will be writing tl2 GSAP dot timeline. Then I will be now just making this curly bracket and move down right here to scroll trigger, and I will be now writing this tag here, means curly bracket move down, right here trigger, and I will be now just writing page 3. Then you have to write here comma, and I will be writing start, and here I will be writing top, comma, then I will be writing scrub 1. Then you have to now write here scroller, and here I will be writing hashtag main. Now when you just done that, here I will be writing pin. So here I will be now writing pin 2. And here you have to now write comma, and then close this. After closing this, you have to write tl2.2. Then here I will be writing page 3, and I will be now writing here h1. Then right here curly bracket and write top 20%. So here I will be now just writing this comma, and then close this tag. And here I will be writing tl3, and I will be writing GSAP timeline. And then you have to make this curly bracket move down and write here scroll trigger. So I will be writing this, and here I will be moving down and then write here trigger, in which I will be writing page 4. Then you have to now make this tag here and create start and write here top. Then you have to now write here scrub like this and write here 1, and here I will be writing scroller, and then here I will be writing hashtag main. So here I will be writing this. Then create a tag which should be like pin, and I will be now just writing here pin 2. Then you have to write comma, and then you have to now close this tag here tl3. Then I will be now writing here 2, and here I will be writing page 4. h1, and then here I will be writing comma, move down and create top, and here I will be writing 20%. Then you have to now write here comma, close this. After closing the tag here, you have to simply do one thing. You have to now move here and create var tl4. Then I will be writing GSAP dot timeline. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to make curly bracket in this bracket and move down. Right here is scroll trigger, and I will be now just writing this tag and write here trigger, and then you have to write here page 6. Now you have to just create the start, and I will be now writing top, make this comma, and then write here scrub 1. So here I will be now writing, then create the scroller and write here main. Then you have to now write here pin true. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here like this and close this tag. After closing, you have to now write here tl4.2, and I will be now just making this tag and write here page 6, and I will be writing here hashtag center page 6. Then you have to now write here comma, and then you have to now make this tag and move down. Then here I will be writing top 20%, and I will be closing this tag, or you can say you can write comma, then close this, and then I will be moving down right here vartl5 GSAP, and I will be now writing here timeline, make this bracket curly bracket, and here I will be writing scroll trigger, and I will be now just making this tag and write here trigger, and I will be writing page 8, and here I will be now just writing start and create top, make this comma and write here scrub 1. Then when you just written this, you have to write this comma, and then here I will be moving down right to scroller, and then I will be now writing hashtag main, and here I will be writing pin true. So when you just written this, you have to now write here this tag and close this tag. After closing, you have to now write here tl5.2, and then you have to now just make this tag and write here page 8, write here center page 8. Then you have to now make you have to write comma here and then move down, create top, and here I will be writing 20%. So here you have to write comma, close this, and then here I will be writing function. So here I will be moving and writing here function canvas, make this bracket, and then you have to now write here const canvas equal to document dot query selector, and here I will be now writing page 11 canvas, and I will be now just closing this and write here const context equal to canvas get context, and here I will be now writing 2D, and then you have to close this tag here like this. After closing, you have to now write here canvas dot width, and here I will be writing window dot inner width. So here I will be now writing this. Then I will be now just writing closing this tag and writing here canvas dot height equal to, and I will be writing window inner height. So here I will be now writing this and create window dot add event listener. Then write here this tag and write resize, and then write here comma function, make this bracket, and then here after writing this, you have to now move here in after the bracket which we have made function tag. Then I will be moving down after this curly bracket and create canvas dot width equal to window, and I will be writing dot inner width, and here I will be now just moving down, create canvas dot height equal to window dot inner width, or you can say inner height you can write. Then create render and open close this bracket here. Then I will be now closing this, and then here I will be writing function. So here I will be now writing function files index. So here I will be now writing this. Then here I will be moving down and write var data. Then I will be now making this tag and write here https. So here we have to now just paste all the things which we have just written, means that we have to not write anything here. We have to only paste the link tag which we are getting, because now we will be not needing these all stuff. So here I will be just doing one thing. I'll be moving on to my notepad here, and I've just already have these all files. So I will be just simply doing one thing. I will be now copying this file here. So this is the link file which we are getting. So I will be simply doing one thing. I will be now selecting this link file till here. Then after selecting the link file here, you have to simply move, and then you have to paste this link. Then you have to simply save it here. After saving the file, I want to just show you like what things we are getting here. You can see we are getting all the links like we want here. Now when you are getting these links here, I will be just now doing one thing, like we are getting these all tags here working. So I will be now closing the tag here as well. After closing this, you have to move down and write here return data, and I will be now just writing dot split, and here I will be now writing this backslash n here, then write here index. Then you have to now close this tag like this. After closing this, you have to now write here cost frame count. So here I will be writing this right here equal to 199. Then right here const images and then make this square bracket here as well. Right here const image sequence, which is the short form here. Then I will be now writing here frame 1. Then you have to close, just write comma here. Then close this tag like this. Right here for let, and I will be now just writing this I equal to 0. Then you have to now write here I. So here I will be now just writing I, and here I will be writing frame count. Then after writing this, you have to now close this and write here I++. Then write here const image equal to, and I will be writing new image. And make this tag here like this, and then you have to now close this. After closing, you have to now write image source equal to file. Then I will be making this bracket right here I, and then you have to now write here images dot push, and I will be now writing here image. Then you have to close this tag and write here GSAP.to, and I will be now making this image sequence tag again, which is the short form of sequence. Then I will be moving down, making this curly bracket here, right here frame, and I will be now writing here frame count. Then you have to now write here -1 comma, and I will be writing snap, and here you have to now just write frame. Then you have to now write here comma, write here ease, and I will be now writing here ease none. Then you have to write here comma stall trigger, so I will be now writing this. Then you have to just move down, right here scrub, and I will be now writing here scrub 0.15 comma trigger. And then here I will be now just writing like this, and then I will be writing canvas. So you can see now we have just written here canvas. After writing this canvas, you have to now make this tag like this and write here set. So here I will be writing set start. Then I will be writing and according. So here I will be now writing and according like this. Then here I will be writing to preference. So here I will be now just writing this. Then you have to create start, and I will be writing here like this top, and here I will be now writing and. Then you have to now create 600%. So here I will be now just writing 600% top. So here when you just written these all stuff, here you have to now simply do one thing like here you have to write 600%, and I will be now writing here top. Then create comma scroller. So here I will be now writing this and write here hashtag main. Then you have to now write this on update. So here I will be now writing and create render. Then write here comma close this and write here images I tag, and I will be now writing dot onload equal to, and I will be now writing here render. Then create function render, and I will be now making the bracket means make curly bracket move down. Right here scale image, and I will be now making this images tag, and here you have to now write image sequence. Then you have to now write here dot frame, and here I will be writing dot context. Then you have to close this, and here I will be writing function. Right here scale image. Then make this bracket and write image dot ctx or comma ctx. Then move down after the curly bracket, write here var canvas, and I will be writing equal to ctx dot canvas. Then write here var h video. Then I will be now writing here canvas width. So here I will be now writing this and write here image dot width. Then I will be now writing here v radio like this, and then you have to write canvas. Write here height slash, and I will be writing image dot height. Then write here var radio equal to, and I will be now writing here math min. So here I will be now making this tag and write here h radio. Then write here comma, and then write here v radio like this. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here math min. So here I will be now writing math dot min, and I will be writing because images are in portrait like this. Now when you just written this, you have to write here var center shift underscore x equal to, and then I will be now writing here canvas dot, and I will be writing width dash image, and I will be now writing here width. Then write here radio like this. Then here you have to now write slash to close this tag, and then I will be now writing var center shift like this. So here I will be writing center shift y. Then write here dash create canvas dot height, and I will be now writing here dash, and then write image height, and here I will be now writing this hashtag radio. Now you have to write slash 2 like this. Then I will be writing ctx dot clear rect, and I will be now making this bracket write 0 0, and I will be now writing here canvas dot width, and make this comma, write here canvas dot height. Then you have to now close this tag here. Then I will be now writing ctx draw image. So here I will be now writing this ctx draw image, make the bracket, and here I will be now writing image comma 0 comma 0 comma, then I will be writing image dot width comma image dot height comma, then right here center shift, and I will be now just writing like this and right here comma center shift again y, then I will be now just writing image dot width, and I will be now writing this radio, then I will be now writing comma image height, and I will be now writing this radio like this. And now when you just return this here, I will be now closing this, and I will be now just writing here scroll trigger, and I will be now making this create tag here. Then you have to make this curly bracket and move down, and I will be now writing here trigger canvas. So here I will be now writing this right here pin 2. Then you have to now make this and write here markers 2. Then you have to now write here scroller, and I will be now just writing hashtag name, and then you have to now write here set start, and I will be writing and according. So here I will be writing and according to preference. Then you have to write here start, and I will be writing top like this. Right here and then I will be now just writing like 600%. Then I will be now writing here top. Then you have to now close this, and after closing this, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to now just write here comma here as well. Then here after writing the comma, just I'll be moving down, closing this tag here, and right here canvas, open close the bracket and close it here as well. Create function, and I will be writing canvas 1 and right here this bracket. Move down and right here cost canvas, and I will be now writing here equal to document dot query selector. Then here when you just written this here, I will be now doing one thing like I will be just making the tag here. So you can see we have just now written the query selector thing like we want here. And after making this query selector, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to write this page 21. So I will be now making this tag and write here page 21 canvas, and I will be now just closing this. Right here context, and I will be now writing canvas dot and right here get context. Then you have to make this bracket and write here 2d. Then you have to close this and write here canvas dot width. And here when you just return this, you have to write here window dot inner width, and I will be now just writing here a tag which should be like canvas dot height equal to window, and I will be now writing here inner height. Then here you have to now just write here window dot add event listener. Then I will be now just writing here resize, and I will be now just writing here function make this bracket, and then you have to now make this curly bracket move down and write here canvas dot width, and I will be now just writing here window dot inner width. Then here I will be now just closing this and write here canvas dot height equal to window dot inner height. Then close it and write here render. Then make this bracket and close this tag as well. After closing this tag, you have to close these things here and write here function files index, and I will be now making this curly bracket right here var data equal to, then make this bracket, and then here you have to move down. After moving down, just you have to move in the bracket, and here we are just getting that all stuff you can see. This is the file links which we are getting here. So simply I will be doing one thing like I will be copying these file links which we are getting here till where we have just written. You can see till here we have written all these file links here. So I will be now just doing one thing. I will be copying these all file links like this by pressing Ctrl C and pasting it here. After pasting all the file links, I will be just moving down here, and then you have to now close this tag. Then you have to create a tag, just give it some space so we can just get it, and I will be now writing here return data dot split, and I will be now making this tag and write here \n. Then I will be now just writing here index, then close it, write here const frame count, and I will be now just writing here equal to 25. Then I will be now writing here const images equal to, make this a square bracket, and here I will be writing const image sequence. So here I will be now writing image sequence. Right here this curly bracket, move down and write here frame 1. Then you have to now just write comma, then close it and write here for let, and here I will be now writing here I equal to 0. Then you have to now write here I and write here frame count. Then I will be now just writing here I plus plus. Then here I will be now writing const image equal to new image. Then I will be making this bracket here open close image dot source. Then I will be now writing here files like this, and then I will be writing here I close it, and then I will be writing images dot push, and then you have to write here image, and here I will be now just writing GSAP.to, and I will be now writing here image sequence, and here I will be now writing comma, make curly bracket, move down, right here frame count, then I will be now writing here dash 4 1, and then I will be writing comma snap frame. Then here I will be now just writing is none, so here I will be now writing is none like this. Then when you just written this, you have to make this bracket here and then here as well. After doing that all stuff, you have to now write here scroll. So here I will be now writing scroll figure. Then here you have to move down and then write here extra and write here 0.15 and write here trigger. And then you have to now write here hashtag page 21. Then here I will be now just writing like this tag, and then you have to write here comma, right here set start, and I will be writing end according. Then I will be writing two preference like this. Then you have to now write here start, and I will be now writing here top comma, and then I will be writing end, and here I will be now writing here 80%, and then write here top. So here I will be now moving in that right here like 80% top like this, and then you have to write here comma scroller and write here main. So here I will be writing hashtag main comma, then write here as well and create on update and write here render comma, and then you have to now close this tag. Write here images I tag. So here I will be now writing this, and then you have to write onload equal to render. Then you have to close this, write here function render, make this bracket, and then here you have to write scale image, and here I will be writing images. Then you have to now write here image sequence and write here dot frame, then create here comma context. So here I will be writing close this, and then here I will be writing function like this and write here scale image, and here I will be writing image comma ctx and write here var canvas, and then you have to now write here ctx dot canvas, and then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down and write here var h radio. Then I will be now writing canvas width, and here I will be writing slash image dot width. Then you have to now write here width v radio. So here I will be writing equal to, so I will be now writing here v radio equal to canvas height, and I will be writing slash image height. Then you have to now move down and write here var radio. Then here you have to now write equal to max. Then here I will be making the bracket and write here radio, then write comma v radio. So here I will be now writing, and then you have to now write this close tag, write here var center shift text, and then I will be writing canvas, and here I will be now writing dot width and write here dash image width. Then I will be now just writing here this slash, and I will be writing radio here slash 2. Then you have to now write here var center shift y, and I will be now writing canvas height, and then when you just written this, you have to now write here image height, and I will be now writing here radio. Then you have to now write here slash 2. Now you have to write ctx layer rect, and I will be now just writing this 0 canvas, and I will be now writing here width. Then write comma, write here canvas dot height, then close this tag, and then you have to now write here ctx draw image. So here I will be now writing this, then write here this bracket and move down, write here image 0 and I will be now writing here image width, then write here image height. Then when you just written this thing, here I will be now writing center shift x, and I will be now writing center shift y, and I will be now writing image width, and then you have to write here this radio like this, and then you have to write here comma image height, write here radio. Then you have to now just close this, move down after this. So here for closing this tag, you have to now simply close it here, and then here you have to remove the bracket from here like this. Then you have to now just move down after this, and here I will be now just writing scroll trigger like this, and I will be now writing here dot create, make the bracket and move down like this, and after moving down this I will be writing here trigger, then write here page 21. Then you have to make the comma and write here pin 2. So I will be writing here the pin as 2. Then write here markers, and I will be now writing here 2. Then write here comma scroller, and I will be now just writing like this hashtag name. Then you have to write here comma set start, and I will be writing end according to preference. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here start, and I will be now just writing top like this. Close it and write here end. Write here 80% like this, and I will be writing top. Then write here comma and then close it, and after closing this tag, you have to now write here canvas1 and make this bracket here, close it, and then write here var t16 here, or you can say tl6 equal to GSAP. And here I will be now just writing timeline, and then you have to now do one thing, you have to make this curly bracket move down right here, scroll trigger, then right here like this, make this bracket and move down right here trigger, then right here page 24, then you have to now write here comma and then write start right here top, and I will be now making this comma move down right here scrub 1. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here scroller main, so here I will be now writing hashtag main comma, and then I will be now writing here pin 2. Then you have to now just write comma here, close it, and then here when you just written this, you have to write here tl6 and I will be writing to page. So here I will be now writing page 24, right here drop. So here I will be now writing drop like this. Then you have to now write comma, and then you have to now just make this curly bracket move down right here opacity 0. Then you have to close it and write here GRTL7. Then here I will be writing GSAP dot timeline. So here I will be now making this tag and move down. Right here scroll trigger, and I will be now just writing this tag and move down, and right here trigger again, right dot, and here I will be writing page 25. Right here is start, and I will be now just writing top. Then I will be now moving down and right here is scrub 1. Then you have to now just move down and right here is scroller. Then I will be now writing hashtag move. Then you have to write here pin 2. Now you have to just write comma, close this tag, and right here TL7. Then right here to and write page 25. So here I will be writing this. So like TL7 like this. And then I will be now writing dot 2 by mistake. I will written 7. Then when you just written this, you have to write page 25 and right here snob like this. Then you have to now write here snob. Then I will be now writing space comma, make the curly bracket here, and write here opacity 0. Then you have to now close this tag here. So here I will be writing comma, and then I will be closing it here. Now you can see we have just done that all things here like we are now getting. So here I will be now doing one thing, I will be writing here comma, save it here. So here we have now written comma like this. Now you can see we have just saved this thing here. After saving this here, I will be now just doing one thing like I will be now writing a comma, or you can say don't write here like this. Now when you just written that all stuff here, I will be moving, and then I will be now just doing like this. Here you can do that comma like this. So here you can see we have just done that all things here, and now I think that it is looking good and it is perfect. So I will be moving at the top to check what mistake we have just done. So I think that nothing mistake we are getting here, it is fine. So at the top also we are not getting any common mistake here, means that all the things are perfectly fine, I think. So again I will be now checking the things like we have not done any mistake. So I think we are getting the mistake here. I will be changing it to dot. Now you can see all the mistakes has been sorted out. Now we are not getting any mistake, and now it is not showing me any error here as well. Now when you are getting that all stuff like this, you have to now just set the GSAP here. So here I will be now setting the GSAP to page. So I will be now writing to page 26 with image, and I will be also writing here comma, make curly bracket and move down right here to scroll trigger. So I will be setting it to scroll trigger with curly bracket and writing here as trigger, and here I will be now writing page as 26, and I will be now writing page 26 image. Right here is start top bottom. Then I will be now just doing one thing, I will be writing at bottom. Then I will be writing at 30%. Then create comma and right here scrub 0.5. Right here is scroller, and I will be now just writing here name. Then I will be now just writing here comma, right here comma opacity, and I will be now just writing here 1. So I will be just writing here opacity 1. Then I will be now closing this tag. After closing the tag, you have to simply save this file, and then here I will be just doing one thing, I will be reloading this. After reloading the file, if I show you, you can see now we are getting the smooth scroll effect here as well. Then we are getting all the things working, like we are getting the Vision Pro here like written. Then we are getting these all stuff, and then here if I show you, so we are getting design by Apple and all the things like we want here, which is looking perfectly fine. And you can see we are getting all the stuff like the images and all that stuff. If I show you here by full screening it, you can see we are now getting this. So now I will be scrolling at the top again to show you like what things we are getting. You can see here now we are getting all that stuff. So now If you want to just get all the things perfectly fine here, just I will be doing one thing. I'll be moving here in this file, and I will be now moving on to my notepad here. After moving to the notepad here, you have to now save this all stuff. After saving, you have to reload, and after reloading, if I scroll down to show you, you can see now we are getting all the stuff working, means that our file is just now fine. So here we have to now do some of the other styling as well to make it good looking here. So now when you've just done with these all things here, just now here you have to do another thing like, so just here if I show you, so here you can see that we have just done these all things till here. If I show you, so you can see this, we have just done these all things here, and now we are just getting our file working, and we are getting all the things like we have just written here, and you can see this looking good. Now I was just showing you that we are just getting the interface here on our browser, which is looking really awesome. If I show you, you can see we are getting the smooth scrolling effect here on our page, and we are also getting everything like animation, and these all things are working here. So I think it is looking good, and now we have just created this. But here you can also add some other things, like if you want to add some other stylings in this project, you can add it here. Like if you want to make it responsive for mobile or tablet, it is already responsive, but it is for mobile. I want to make responsive it for, like, you can say iPad or for the tablet, like that all stuff. So you can also do that here. So for doing that, simply you have to do this one thing, like you have to simply move on to the main styling file here, which you are doing all the styling. Then I will be removing the stuff here on my styling file, and then I will be now styling all things again, so I can just make it for, responsive for tablet and iPad as well. So now I've just written the margin as you can say like 0%. Then I will be giving here the padding as 0%, and I will be writing here padding, or you can say box sizing, which should be like border box. Then you can just set its font family here, which should be like SF Pro, and I will be now just writing here display, close it, and here you have to now just write @font face. So here I will be now writing @font face like this, and create font family, which should be like SF Pro. So here I will be now writing SF Pro display. So write like this. Then you have to now move down and write here source URL. Then I will be now writing font slash and write here SF Pro. So I will be now writing SF Pro display, and I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing regular.ttf. Then you have to now close this tag here. Then I will be now writing the main tag, which is HTML tag, and here I will be giving it the height as 100%, and here I will be also giving the width as 100%, same as like we have written the height. Then I will be now giving the hashtag name, in which I will be setting its position should be relative, and here I will be writing its overflow hidden. Then here you have to just move down simply, and after moving down, just you have to now write here page, hashtag page, which is the class, or you can say ID. Then I will be now creating its height as 100vh, right here with 100vw, and I will be writing here background color should be black. So I will be writing here 000. You can also write randomly black if you want. Then I will be now writing here page name, and here I will be writing display flags. And then you have to now write here align items center, and here you have to write justify content center. Then you have to now just write here space between. So I will be now writing here space between like this, create padding 0 pixel and write 20 pixel. Write here height as 7vh. Then I will be now writing here width 50% or 50vw. Then you have to write here position absolute, and I will be now just writing here top 0%. Then you have to now write here left 50%. Then you have to now create transform, and I will be writing here translate x minus 50%. Then you have to now write here the text color white. Then you have to now move here and write page nav button. So I will be writing this and create padding, which should be like 7 pixels. So here I will be now writing this and create here 20 pixel as well. So when you've just written this, you have to now move down. Then here I will be just doing one thing. I will be moving here in this padding and creating border radius 50 pixel, and I will be writing here border. And I will be now just writing here background color as white. So here I will be writing this. Then write here page nav, and I will be now just writing here page nav h3. Then create font weight as, like here I will be writing 400. Then you have to now write here page video. So here I will be now writing this and create height 100vh. And then you have to now write here width 50%. Then you have to now create object fit, and I will be now writing here cover. Then here I will be writing position absolute, and I will be now writing here left 50%. Then here I will be now moving down and write here transform. So here I will be now writing transform like this, and write here translate x, and I will be now writing minus 50%. Then you have to write here page bottom, then create height 20%. Then you have to now write here width 25%, and I will be now writing here position absolute, and then when you just written this, you have to now write here bottom 5%. So here I will be writing this create left 50%. Then you have to now write here transform, and then write here translate x and create minus 50%. Then write here display flex, and then you have to now move down and write here align items center, and write here justify content center. Then you have to now write here flex direction column. So here I will be writing this. And then when you just written this, you have to now write here page bottom. Then you have to create h3. Then I will be now writing here color DA. So here I will be now writing this and write here hashtag. Now you have to close this and create margin bottom, and I will be now writing here 1vh. Then you have to write here hashtag page 1 and create position relative, and I will be now writing here height 100vh, and I will be now writing here width 100vw, and then you have to now write here background color, which should be white. So here I will be writing, then write here page 1, and I will be writing here video. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here height. So here I will be writing height 100%. Write here width 100%. Then I will be now writing here object width cover. Then I will be now just making this tag and write here page h1, and then I will be writing font size 4vw. Then create text color white. Then here I will be writing font weight, and in font weight I will be writing 500. Right here like this, and I will be now writing here position absolute. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write bottom 20%. So when you just written this, you have to write here left 50%. Then write here transform, and I will be now writing here translate x minus 50%. Then you have to now write here white space should be like no rep. So here I will be writing this. Then I will be now writing here page 2, and I will be now writing here position related, and write here height 100vh. Then write here 100vw. So here I will be now writing this. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here page 2. So here I will be now writing like this and create page 2. And here I will be now just writing page 2 video. After writing this, you have to now write here height 100vh, or you can say 100%. Write here width as 100%. So when you just written this, you have to write here object width cover. Then when you just done that all things, here I will be now just doing one thing, like I will be now moving down after this tag and write here page 2. So here I will be now writing page 2 h1 and write here font size 4vw. Then I will be now writing here position absolute, and then you have to now write here bottom 20%, and then when you just written this, you have to now write here left 50%. Then you have to now write here transform translate x minus 50%. Then you have to now write here white space, and then you have to now write here no rep. Then I will be now writing here text align should be center. Then create text color white, and I will be writing here font weight 500. Then you have to now write here page 3. Then create a tag which should be like position relative, and I will be now writing here 100 height. Here I will be writing 100vh. Then write here width should be 100vw. So here I will be now writing 100vw. Then write here page 3, and I will be now writing here video. Create height 100vh or 100% you can say. Then width as well 100%. Then I will be now writing here object width cover. And then when you just written that all things, you have to now just write here page 3. Write h1 and then create font size 4vw, and I will be now writing its position as absolute, and then you have to now create bottom 20%. Then you have to now just write here left 50%. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down and create transform, write here translate x minus 50%, and then you have to write here white space, and I will be now writing here no rep. Then you have to now just write here text align center, and then you have to write here text color simply white, and write here font weight 500. Then I will be now writing here page 4, and then you have to now write position relative, and I will be now writing here height 100vh. Then you have to now write here width 100vw. Then you have to now write here page 4 and write here video. Then I will be now writing here width 100% and write here height 100%. Then I will be now writing here object width cover. Then you have to move down, and after moving down this, you have to write here hashtag page 4, and I will be now writing here h1 font size 4vw. Then I will be writing position absolute. So here I will be writing this. Write bottom 20%, and I will be writing here like this tag left 50%, and I will be now moving down and write here transform translate x minus 50%. Then when you just written this, you have to write here white space, Then I will be now writing here no ref. Then when you just done that, you have to write here text align center and write here color white. So here I will be now moving down and write here font weight. And here I will be now writing 500. Then here I will be writing page 5. Then I will be now writing position related and right here height 100 vh. So here I will be now making this tag. Right here width 100 vw, and then I will be now writing here background color should be white. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here page 5 image, and I will be now making its width as 60%. Then I will be now writing here position absolute. Then you have to now write here top 50%, and then when you just done that, you have to now write here left 50%. Then I will be now just doing one thing like I will be moving down and write here transform, and then create here translate minus 50% comma minus 50%. Then you have to write here page 5 upper. So here I will be writing this and write here height 25% and then set its width as 35%. Right here position absolute. So here I will be now writing this. Then I will be now writing Z index. In Z index I will be writing here 9. Create top 5% and I will be now just writing here left 50%. Then I will be now writing here transform, right here translate x and then write here minus 50%. Then I will be now writing here page 5 upper and I will be now just writing upper like this image. So here I will be writing this and create position absolute top 10% and I will be writing here left 50%. Then you have to now write here transform, and here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing here translate minus 50%. So you have to write here translate x, remember that. Then here I will be writing width as 80%. Then you have to now move down. After moving down, just I will be now writing here page 5 and write here upper inner. Then we have to now just write here position absolute and I will be now writing here bottom 0% and I will be now writing here height 60%. Then you have to now write here width as 100% like this. Then you have to now write here display class. So there I will be writing. Then write here align items center. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here justify content should be space between. Then I will be now writing here padding 0 pixel, 80 pixel like this, and then I will be writing color FF5A00. Then here I will be moving down and write here page 5 and create upper inner. Then write here h3 and write here font weight as 500. Then I will be now writing here page 5 and then there you have to just now write here button like this and then create position absolute and then here I will be now writing bottom 7%. Then here I will be now writing here left 50% like this. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here transform translate minus 50%. Then you have to now create padding 15 pixel 30 pixel. Then you have to now just move down and create here border 1 pixel solid and I will be now writing here 000 which is the black color means that. Then I will be setting font weight 500. So here I will be now writing this and create here border radius as 50 pixel. Then write here font size as 1.4 VW and I will be also writing here page 6 which should be as position and I will be now writing here related. Write here height as 100 VH. Write here width 100 VW. So when you've just written this, you have to now move down and create page. So here I will be now writing page 6 video. Then I will be now making the tag and write here height as 100% and write here width 100%. Then here when you just done that all stuff, you have to now move down, write here object fit cover. So here I will be writing this and then you have to now write here page 6. Write here hashtag center page 6 and I will be now just writing here font size as 6 VW. So here I will be writing this and then you have to now write here position absolute. Then create here bottom 20%. Then when you just done with that all stuff, you have to now write here left 50%. So here when you just done that, you have to now move down and create transform and I will be writing here translate x and then when you just written this, you have to write here minus 50%, write here white space should be no ref. Then I will be now moving down and write here text align center and then you have to write here text color white. So here I will be moving down and write here font weight 500. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to now write here page 7 and create display flags and I will be now just moving down and write here position relative and then write here height 60 VH. Then I will be now just writing here 100 VW. Then you have to now move down and write here left 7 and then create a tag which should be like position relative and write here height. Then when you just written this, you have to write height 100%. right here width 100%, and then you have to write left 7 h1. Then create font size here, which should be 2.3 VW, and then I will be writing here position. So here I will be now just writing position absolute. Then create left 50%, and I will be writing here transform. So here I will be now writing transform, translate x, and write here minus 50%. Then write here top 10%. Then you have to now write here right 7, and then you have to now create display flags, and I will be now writing here align items. So here I will be now writing align items to start. Then create here justify content. Then I will be now just writing justify content space around. Then create flex direction column. Here I will be writing height 100% like this. Right here width 50%, and then I will be writing here padding left, in which I will be now writing 5 VW. So here you have to now move and create 5 VW here. Create right 7 and right here h3, and then I will be now writing font size as 1.8 VW, and I will be writing here width as 80%. Then you have to now write here color hashtag 868680. Then you have to now close this and move down. After moving down this, you have to now do one thing. You have to write here right 7. Then you have to now write here button. Then create padding as 10 pixel, and I will be writing 20 pixel. Then I will be writing here border none, and then create here background color should be FE6918. Then I will be moving down and write here color white, and I will be now writing here font weight 400. So here I will be writing this. Then I will be now writing here border. So here you have to write border radius. So I will be now writing here border radius like this, which should be 50 pixel. Then write here font size 1.3 VW. Then I will be now writing here margin top 1.5 VW, and here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing here hashtag page 8, and I will be now writing here position relative, and I will be now writing here height 100 VH, and then you have to now write here width 100 VW. Then when you just done that, you have to write here hashtag page 8, write here video, and I will be now writing here height 100%. Then create width 100% like this, and then when you just written this, you have to write here object width cover. Then you have to now move down. After moving down this, I will be now writing here page 8 again. Then write here center page 8. So I will be now writing here, then create font size 2 VW. So here I will be writing this, and then you have to create position absolute. Then I will be now writing here bottom 20%. Then I will be writing here left 50%. Then you have to now write here transform. So here I will be now writing transform like this, and write here translate x minus 50%. Then here I will be moving down, write here white space, and I will be writing here white space should be no there. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to write here text align should be center. Then I will be now writing here color of text white. Then you have to now write here font weight 500. Then you have to now move down, write here page 9, and then I will be now writing here display flex. Then you have to now create position relative. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here height 60 VH. So here I will be writing like this. Then write here width 100 VW. So here I will be now writing this. So I will be now moving here and write here 100 VW, and then write here left 9. Then I will be now writing position relative. Then when you just done that, you have to now write here height 100%, and then I will be now writing here width 100%. So here I will be now writing, or you can say 50%, the half of 100. Then I will be now writing here left 9 h1, and then create font sizing as 2.3 VW. I will be setting it as. Then I will be now writing here position absolute, and then you have to write here left 50%. Then when you just written this, you have to now write here translate x minus 50%, and write here top 10%. Then you have to now write here right should be 9. Then I will be now writing here display flex, and I will be now writing here align items. Then you have to now write here start. Then create here justify content should be space around. So here I will be now writing this. Close this tag here. So here we will be now closing it. Then write here flex direction column, and write here height as 100%. So I will be now writing this as 100%. Then you have to now write here width 50%, and I will be also writing here padding left. So here I will be writing it to like 5 VW. Then when you just done that all stuff, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to write here right h3. So here I will be now writing h3. Then write here font size 1.8 VW, and I will be also writing here width as 80%. Then you have to now write here color, which should be 86868B. So here I will be now writing this, and write here right 9 then create button, right padding 10 pixel and I will be writing 20 pixel. Right here border and I will be now writing here length. Then you have to write here background color. So here I will be writing FE6918 and I will be now writing here color of text white. Then you have to now write here font weight 400. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here border radius as 50 pixel. Then write font size 1.3 VW and write here margin top as 1.5 VW. Then here you have to now write page 10. Then here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be moving down and write here display flags. Then here I will be writing align items center and then you have to now write here justify content should be center. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now writing here flex direction should be column. Then I will be now writing here text align should be center. Then when you just done that, you have to now move down and write here position relative and I will be now writing here height 70 VH. Then I will be writing here width as 100 VW. So here when you just done that, you have to create background color. Right here F5, F5, F7. Then you have to move down and write here page 10. Then write here H3 and then you have to now write here margin bottom and I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now writing here margin bottom as 1 VW. Then write here font size 2 VW. Then you have to now move down and write here page 10. Create H1 and then you have to now write here margin bottom. So here I will be writing it as 1.5 VW. And then when you just done that, you have to write here font size 4 VW. Then you have to now write here page 10 and then write here p10. Then write here font size as 1.2 VW and I will be writing here width as 60%. Then you have to now just move down here. But before moving down, just we have to set its font weight here as 700. I will be now doing this. Then write here color and here I will be writing 86868B. Then you have to now write here hashtag page 11 and then you have to now write here position relative and I will be now writing here height 100 VH. So here I will be now writing this. Then I will be now writing here width 100 VW. Then create here background color which should be like F5, F5, F7. Then here I will be now writing here page 11. So here I will be now writing page 11 canvas. And then you have to now write here position relative. Then you have to now create max width as 100 VW and I will be writing here max height as 100 VH. Then you have to now write here Z index 99. Then you have to now write here page 12 and create position relative. And I will be writing here height 100 VH. Then you have to now simply do one thing. You have to create its width as 100 VW. Then I will be now writing here background color which should be F5, F5, F7. Then you have to now write here page 12. Right here H1 and create width as 20%. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here top 50%. Then here I will be writing transform. So here I will be now writing translate y minus 50%. Then you have to now write here left 7%. So here I will be now making this. And then you have to write here font size 1.3 VW. Then I will be writing here font weight as 500. And I will be now writing here color which should be like 878783. Then you have to now write here Z index 99. So here I will be now writing this. Write here position absolute. Then you have to now write here page 12 and then you have to now write H1 span. Write here color black, the text color, and then I will be now writing here page 13 again. Then you have to move down after the curly bracket and write here position relative and I will be now writing here height 100 VH. Then I will be now writing here 100 VW. Then when you just return this here, you have to now write here background color which should be F5, F5, F7. Then you have to move down and write here page 13 H1 and then you have to now just do one thing. You have to write here width 20%. Then you have to now write here top 50% like this and then here I will be writing transform translate y and I will be now writing minus 50%. Then you have to now write here right 7% and I will be now writing here font size as 1.3 VW. Then here you have to write font weight 500. Then I will be now writing here color 878783. Then you have to now write here Z index 99. Then when you just get that, you have to create position absolute. So here I will be now writing this and then you have to write here page 13 H1 span. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here color black. So here I will be writing this there. Then you have to move down and then here I will be writing page 14 and then you have to now write here position. So here I will be now writing position relative. Height should be 100 VH. Then I will be writing here width 100 pw. Then I will be now writing here background color. So here I will be writing this to like F5, F5, F7. Then write here page 14, and I will be now just writing here H1. Write here width. So here I will be now writing width as 20%. Then here I will be writing here top like 50%. I will be now writing here. Then write here transform should be like translate y. Then I will be writing minus 50%, and here I will be writing left 7%. Then I will be writing here font size as 1.3 W. Then I will be writing here font weight as 500. Write here color as 87878C. Then I will be now just writing here Z index 99. Then I will be writing here position absolute. Then you have to now write here page 14, and I will be now writing here H1 span. Write here color black, and I will be now just moving down. After moving down, just you have to write page 15, and then I will be writing here position relative, and then here when you just get that, you have to write here height 100 pm. Write here width as 100 VW, and I will be now writing here background color as F5, F5, F7. Then you have to now write here page 15. So here I will be now writing this, and then you have to now write here H1. Write here weight 20%. So here I will be now writing this. Then when you just done that all stuff, you have to now simply move here. And then here I will be now just want to see one thing like here. I will be now just doing like this. And after moving on to the file here, I will be now just want to check one thing here. Like you can see, we are now just not getting anything here. So I will be just doing one thing, like I will be now moving here on my width 20, and then I will be now just writing here top 50% like this, and then here I will be writing transform, and I will be now writing here translate y, create minus 50% here, right left 7%, and I will be also writing here like font size, which should be like 1.3 VW. Then here I will be writing font weight 500, and I will be writing here color 878C. Then you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be moving down and write here Z index 99. Then you have to now write here position absolute. So here I will be writing this. Then when you just done that all this stuff, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to now write here a tag which should be like page 15, H1 span, and I will be now writing here color which should be black. Then I will be now writing here page 16 here. Then I will be now writing position relative, and I will be writing here height 100 dh. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here width as 100 VW. So here I will be now writing create background color should be F5, F5, F7. Then you have to now just write page 16, and then write here H1, and then you have to now set its weight to like 20%. And here I will be now writing top 50%, and when you just done that all stuff, you have to now write here transform, and I will be now writing here translate y, which should be minus 50%. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here right 7%. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down, write here font size 1.3 VW, and I will be now writing here font weight should be like 500. So here I will be now writing this. Then create color 87878C. Then you have to move down and write here Z index 99, and then you have to now write here position absolute. Then you have to now move down, and after moving down, just you have to now write here a tag which should be like page 16 H1, and I will be now writing here span create color, and in color I will be now just writing black. Then you have to now write here page 17. So here I will be now writing this. Write here position should be relative, and then you have to now write here height should be 100 dh. Then I will be now just writing like this. Then here I will be now writing width 100 VW. Then when you just did that, here you have to now write background color F5, F5, F7. Then you have to now write here page 17. Then write here H1 and create width as 20%, and I will be now writing here top 50%. And here when you just done that, you have to now create transform, translate y, and here I will be writing minus 50%. Then you have to create left 7%, and I will be now writing here font size as 1.3 VW, and then you have to now write here font weight as 500, create color, and I will be writing 87878C. Then you have to now write here Z index 99. Then you have to now write here position absolute. Then you have to now move down. Then here I will be now just writing page 17, and then you have to now write here H1, and then you have to now create a span tag and create here color black. Then you have to now just write page 18, and then you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be moving. Then I will be now writing here display text, and then you have to now write here align items center. So here I will be now writing this. Then when you just done with that all stuff, you have to now write here justify content. should be like a space around. Then you have to now write here position relative. So here I will be now writing this and write here height 100 ph. So here I will be now writing this, and then you have to now write here width should be like 100 pw. Then you have to now move down and write here background color should be white. So here I will be writing this. Then write here left 18, and here I will be now just writing height 90%. Then I will be now writing here width 45%. Then here I will be writing position relative, and I will be now writing here background image. So here I will be now writing background image URL, and I will be now just writing the URL of the image here. So for getting the image URL, you can just put it later on as well if you want, but I will be putting the image URL here. Like I will be writing it as https://www.ffill.com, and then I will be writing /v/ffill. Then I will be writing /ffill vision pro. So here I will be now writing this a images slash. Then when you just done with that all stuff here, you have to now just do one thing. Like here you have to now just add the things like we have to add the image. So I'll be writing images overview/design. Then I will be now writing /glass top. So here I will be writing glass_top. Then I will be now writing _k3 b8. Then I will be writing lzq. Then I will be now just writing here d, and here you have to now write 1l2m. Then you have to write here large. Then you have to write .jpg. Then you have to close this tag here. And after closing the tag, you have to simply do one thing. Like I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now doing like this, and then moving down here and creating background size image, and then I will be writing it as cover. Then you have to write here right 18, and then I will be now writing here height as 90%. Then I will be now writing here width as 45%. Then you have to now just create position relative, and I will be now writing here background image. Then you have to now just create here URL, in which I will be writing https://www.ffill.com/d/ffill vision pro, and I will be now writing here a/images/, and then I will be now writing here the overview we have written at the top. Same thing here we have to now write here. So I will be now just writing overview/design, and I will be now just writing here /glass, and then I will be now writing here /glass_side, and I will be now making this to a bracket, and I will be writing gm4a go. Then I will be now just writing here mrw. Then you have to now write here l2e. Then I will be writing _large.jpg. Then you have to now close this image here. So I will be now closing this tag. After closing the tag, you have to now simply write here the background size. So here I will be now writing the background size as cover, like we have written at the top. Then I will be now writing page 19, and here I will be setting its position. So here I will be now writing its position as relative. Right here height 100 ph. Then I will be now writing the width as 100 pw. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now moving down. Right here display flex. So here I will be writing this, and right here align items center. Then when you just done that, you have to write here justify content center. Then I will be now writing here center page 19, and then you have to now move down and write here height 90%, and then you have to now write here width 95%. Then you have to now write here position relative. Then I will be now writing here center page. So here I will be now writing center page 19 video, and I will be now writing here height should be 100%, and I will be now writing here width. So here I will be now writing width 100% like this. Now when you just done that, you have to now write here object width cover. So here I will be now writing this, and then write here page 20. And then when you just done that, you have to now write here position relative. Then you have to write here height 120 ph, write here width, and then I will be writing 100 pw. And when you just done that, you have to now write here display flex, write here align items center. Then I will be now writing here justify content should be like in center, write here flex, and then I will be now writing here direction column. Then when you just done that, you have to now write here page 20, and then write here h2 create position absolute, and then I will be now writing here width 50%. So I will be now writing this, and here you have to write color, in which I will be writing 434343C7. Then you have to now write here font weight. So here I will be now writing font weight as 500. Write here top 3%. Then when you just done that, move down, and then you have to now write here page 20 and write here h2 spend 10. Then write here color black. So here I will be writing the text color black. Write here page 20, and I will be writing image with that as well. which should be having the width 60. So just here if I show you, so you can see till here we have just done all the things. If I just show you here, so you can see I was just telling you that we were just styling some of the things. So we were on the page 20 image, we were styling that. So now we have just given it the width as 60% and I will be now giving its position as absolute. Then when you just done that, you have to now write here bottom as 0%. Then when you just done with this, you have to now write here page 20 and I will be now setting it as button. And here you have to now just write here position absolute and then you have to create bottom 10%. After writing this, you have to now just write here padding 10 pixel and I will be now writing here 20 pixel like this. Now create here font size as 1.5 VW and I will be now writing here border radius and I will be writing it as 50 pixel. Create here background color and I will be now writing it as FF8 to 3D. Then I will be now just writing color which should be white. Now you have to just write here font weight as 500. Then when you just done with this, here you have to now write here border none. Then you have to move down after this tag and after moving down just I will be now writing it as page 21. So here I will be writing and then create here position relative and I will be now writing here height 100 VH. Then create here width as 100 VW. Now you have to just move down and create top 0% like this and create here background color. Then you have to now just write here black, which is the color code. And then I will be now just setting its page 21 here and here I will be writing canvas, which should be having the position simply relative. So here I will be now writing the position relative. Create max width 100 VW and I will be also writing here max height 100 VH. Now when you just done that, you have to now move down and write here page 22 and then you have to now set its display as flags. So here I will be now writing this and then you have to now set its align items should be in center. Then I will be now writing here justify content should be in center. Then you have to now create position. So here I will be now writing position relative. Write here color of text should be white. Then create here height 30 VH. Then you have to now create width as 100 VW. Then when you just done with that, here I will be now writing background color as well, which should be like black. So here when you just done that, you have to create flex direction column and then I will be writing here text align should be in center. So when you just done with that, here I will be now writing font size 1.5 VW. Then write here page 22. So I will be moving down and writing here page 22 like this and then you have to write here H5, create width 35% and I will be writing here color 8686. Then I will be now writing here 8B. Then you have to now just write page 22 and write here H5 span. Then here you have to now write color of text should be white. Then I will be now writing here page 23. Then I will be now writing here position related and then I will be writing here height 100 VH. So I will be now writing this. Then you have to now create width as 100 VW. So here I will be now writing this thing. Then you have to create background color should be black. So again I will be now writing here black. Then you have to move down and write here page 23 video. So here I will be now just writing page 23 video and then write here height 100% and I will be now writing here width 100%. Then create here object width cover. Then you have to move down after this tag. So here I will be now moving down and then write here hashtag center page. Then I will be now writing here 23. So write like this. Then move down after this curly bracket and create display flags. Write here align item center. Then I will be now writing here flags direction. So here I will be now writing here column. Then you have to create position should be absolute. Then I will be now writing here right 10%. Then I will be now writing here top 62%. Then you have to now write here color white. So here I will be now writing this and then create height 100%. So here I will be now writing this. Then create here width 50%. Then when you just done that, you have to now write here center page and I will be writing here 23 H1 and I will be now writing here font size 2VW and I will be now writing here margin bottom 1.7 VW. Then you have to move down after this and create a tag which should be like center page and I will be now writing here 23 B tag. Then I will be now writing its width as 43% and I will be now writing here color should be like 86868B. Then I will be moving down and write here center and write here center page 23, write here B tag and span. Then I will be now writing here color white. So here you have to write page 24 this time and move down, create position and here I will be now writing relative. Write here height 100 VH and I will be now just writing this width and I will be writing here 100 VW. So here when you just done that, you have to create background and I will be now writing here background color black. So here when you just done that, you have to write here page 24. Then write here I will be now writing here top like this and create top 40% and I will be now just writing here left 50% like this, and then here I will be now writing transform, then create translate minus 50% and comma minus 50%. So here I will be now just writing position absolute, and I will be now writing here width as 50%, then create z index 9. So here I will be now writing this. Then after writing this tag, you have to now simply write here a tag which should be like page 24, and I will be now writing hashtag tron. Create top 40%, and I will be writing here left 50% like this. Then I will be now just doing one thing, I will be moving down and writing here transform, translate, then write here minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Then write here position absolute, and then you have to now write here width 50%. Then you have to now just move down and write here center page 24, and then create display should be flex. Then create like this, and I will be now writing here p there. Then you can see display flex has been written. Right here align item should be center. Then I will be now writing here flex direction, and I will be writing here column. Then you have to now write here position should be absolute. Then I will be writing here text align, and here I will be writing it to like center. Right here top 70%, and I will be writing here margin top should be like 3%, and then you have to now write here left 50%. And now when you just done that, you have to create transform, and I will be writing here translate x and create minus 50%. Then you have to now write here color white. Then I will be writing here height 100%. Then I will be now writing here width 50%. So here when you just done that all this stuff, here you have to now just move down. Then after moving down, you have to now create center page 24. So here I will be writing h1. Then write here font size 2VW, and I will be now writing here margin bottom, and I will be now just writing it as 1.7 VW, and here I will be moving down and write center page, and I will be writing 24, and I will be writing p tag again, write font weight 600, and then I will be writing here width as 55%, and then you have to now write here color 8686, then I will be writing here 8B. Then you have to now create center page, then you have to write 26 p tag span, then write here color, in which I will be writing here white. Then you have to create page 25. Then I will be now writing here position. Then here you have to write relative and create height 100 VH. Then you have to now write here width 100 VW. So here I will be now writing this. Then I will be writing background color and write here black. Then you have to now move down, and then here I will be just now writing page 25, and then you have to now make this tag and write here is north. Then you have to move down and create top 40%, and I will be writing here left 50%. Then you have to now just write here transform, create translate normal. Then I will be writing minus 50%, minus 50%. Right here position absolute, and I will be now writing here width 50%. Then when you just done that, you have to write here z index 9. Then you have to move down and write here page 25, and then you have to write here is not, and then create top 40% like this, and write here left 50%. Then you have to now write here transform. Then you have to now write here translate minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Then you have to now write here position absolute. So here I will be writing and create width 50%. Then you have to now write here center page, and I will be now writing 25, create display flex, and I will be writing here align items center. Then I will be now writing here flex direction column. Then I will be now writing here position absolute. Then when you've just done that, you have to now write here text align should be center. Then you have to now write here top 70%. So here I will be now writing this. Then when you've just done that, you have to write here margin top should be like 1.5%. Then create here left 50% like this, and then I will be writing here transform, and I will be now writing here translate x minus 50%. Then you have to create color white. So here I will be writing this, and write here height 100%. Then create here width 50% like this. Now you have to write here center page, and then you have to write here 25 h1. Create font size should be like 2VW, and I will be now writing here center page 25, and I will be now writing here p tag. Create font weight as 600, and I will be now writing here width 55%. Then you have to now write here color 86868B. Then I will be now moving down and write here center page 25 and p tag span. Then you have to move down, and here I will be writing color text normally white, and write here page 26. Then I will be now writing here position relative, and I will be now writing here height 100 VH, write here white space, and I will be now writing 100 VW. Then create background color, and I will be now writing here black. which is the color code. Right here page 26, and I will be now writing here image. So here I will be writing that. Right here height 100%, and I will be now just moving down. Right here width 100%. Then here you have to write object fit, which should be cover. Then I will be now writing here opacity 0. Then you have to now write here center page 25, or you can say center page 26, and then here I will be now writing display flex, and I will be writing here align items center. Then here I will be writing flex direction column. Then here you have to write position absolute, and then when you just done that, you have to now move down, and here I will be writing text align should be center, and here I will be writing top 70%. Here I will be writing margin top, and I will be writing 1.5%. Then here you have to write left 50%. Then I will be writing here transform translate, and write here x minus 50%, and then you have to now write here text color white, and I will be writing here height 100%, and I will be now writing here width 50%, and then you have to now write here center page, and I will be writing 26, and write here h1 create font size 2BW, and I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing hashtag center page, and I will be writing here 26 p tag, and I will be now writing here font weight as 600, and I will be writing here width 55%. Then you have to now write here color should be like 86868B. Then you have to now move down and write here center page 26 p tag span tag, and I will be moving down here. After moving down this, you have to now set its color of text white. Save it here, and then you have to reload these all stuff. After reloading, you can see now we are just getting that all things working, and if I show you by scrolling down, you can see we are getting all the things, but we are just not getting it perfectly fine. So for making it perfectly fine, you have to move on to the main file here. So here I will be just moving to check my main file, and you can see this is the Apple Vision main file, and now here I will be moving on to my styling, and now we will be just making it a styling as for the tab. So you can see now we have just done that. After doing that all stuff, I will be moving at the top where we have just started here. So I will be now giving a space. So just I will be moving down and giving a space from here, like one line space I will be giving after every close curly bracket which we have written. Then I will be now moving here as well, then like this, and here also. So I will be now moving down and then creating one line space here, here, and then you have to now just make it here as well, then here also, then move down, and then we are just getting space, one line space only I want. So here I will be now just giving space here also, then here as well, and I will be now just doing like this. Then you have to now press backspace here, then one line space here, here also, then make it here as well, and then from here also. So now I am giving one line space, so I can just set my codes perfectly fine, and we should not get any like you can say wrong codes here. So now just make it one line space, and then here I will be making it, make it here as well, then move down, and just you have to now do like this. After making this, just move down here, here as well, then here also, and here as well, like this. I think it is now perfect, just like this you can make it. Now here when you are getting all that stuff here, you can just do like this here as well, and then here I will be scrolling down and then doing it fast, so it will be fast and I can do it perfectly fine. You can see we are getting already space here, so we will be not needing here. Just where we are not getting space, just there I am giving the spaces. So you can see here as well we have given, then here, here, and here we have already given. So here also, here, and now here, then move down here as well, then here. So you can see now we are just setting its spacing here, so we can just get the clean code, and our code should not be going outside like this. So by mistake I have just set this, press enter here, enter, 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 here as well, then move down here, here, then here also. So now this time giving a space, so I can just set it perfectly fine. So you can see now we have just settled it. Just give backspace here because I've just by mistake given two line space here. So here as well, and then here also. Now you have to just move down and create one line space here, here as well, here. Then move down. So here I will be now moving down, and then here you have to now just make it like this. And then here when you just done that, move down and then like this. You can see now we have just settled all the space here, and now we are getting one line space after every tag which we have closed in this styling file. of Tailwind. So now when all the things has been settled here, you have to now just reload it and check now it is having the things or not. So I will be saving this file and reload. After reloading, you can see now we are getting all the things working, and I think that now our project is ready. So you can see this is our project here, and now you can just use the Vercel to host it through Stripe. So I will be preferring to use Vercel. So just move on to the Google and then type here Vercel. After typing Vercel, you have to now just open this Vercel and then you have to press start deploying. If you have GitHub, so you have to log in with GitHub and then you have to press continue with GitHub, and you have to put the repository here, means the codes of this project which you have created, and after putting the codes here, your project will be live on server. So you can just it will be asking you that what template you want. Like we are using Next.js, so we have to use the Next.js template. So you have to create account, and then if you have money, so you can go with Pro, but if you want to use the free version, you can use the hobby version here, which is the free version, and then you can host your project on your server through Stripe. So this was our project, and if I show you, you can see we are getting all the animation effects and all the things like we want in our project here through Next.js Tailwind and Stripe. We have just put in this project here. Now if I just show you in responsive, so in responsive also it is looking really awesome here. So I will be now moving on my page, and then I will be doing it responsive here. So you can see, you can just see it in any device, it will be looking as responsive, and you can see this how good looking is that. So this was our project which we have created, and this was our Apple Vision clone which we have created from start, which is the responsive clone here. We have used Stripe, Next.js and Tailwind to create this project, and we have also used the server side rendering of Vercel here. So I hope you understand how we have just created this amazing project here. And if I show you in any iPad, because we have made it for iPad as well, you can see in iPad also it is looking really good, and we are getting all the animation effect in iPad as well. The smooth scrolling effect plus the animation effect which we are getting here is looking awesome. So you can also put these amazing animation effects in your project to make your project more dynamic or more beautiful. So these were the ideas which I have given you of animation. You can use these animations in React.js, Next.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, in any language you can use these all stuff to make this project here. So I hope you understand how we have created this amazing Apple Vision clone from start. So if you have understand this project and if you enjoy this video from start here, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn, they can understand how we can just create these amazing projects using different languages. So just I'll be meet you in next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using different languages. So for today, goodbye.